Aquaba for God and country. And that joke, maybe I will be ano. Yama yenim say, Ohoye pa. Ya has yes, we pa. But in a atras idia kai say. And somewhere Eddie, a woman muha. And no, and I yeba di home como. Na ye near Bema, ye research team. And of course, yes, named Patrick, or Bomoding Kwa Probo over the weekend. Share the various Galamsey issues of which you try to be Mfunying Adebaye. Some Funyin Yinano, I didn't find community for Ninano, Yebeyi, a war, a Facebook wall, and of course on our TikTok pages. Remember, it's a Facebook, SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, and of course we are live on YouTube too, SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, and also know, say, we are live on TikTok. So tell a friend to tell a friend, we are live on TikTok on SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Nasaka, you say, Jumedi, Adisha, Ewo, Bronga, Hafo, Kane, now Bunu East, Bunu region, and a Hafo region, woman, so 80, via SOMPA 106.1 FM, Ewo Techiman, and again, Adisha, Watakwaso, 80 Yang, Ewo SOMPA 101.1 FM. And also remember, say, you were multi-TV Diggy Box and also the radio session. If you really want to follow the program, Bomoding na fafaho na ubetie ayem komona yebedi na. And there you were special guest ewufia yenene babedi nkomo. What if you say nkomo bi beto dwa nkomo ya beto dwa na say Honorable Johnson Esiedu Enketia amanfo say was started a thank you tour. Now thank you tour now was started no idea what the campaign. I come out saying that here, and then Abomodeng out to Yensafre the special aid for a Siedun Ketia, aka General Mosquito, and the special aid Watanasi, Ura Mohammed Kweku Doku. One on any special aid, Yanenebedi and Komo. And remember, he's also the head of protocol and logistics. And the director of Deputy Director of Protocol and Logistics, NDC headquarters of Ebedi and Komo. But once Patrick is here, and Komodi will also answer now. You didn't bet him. And all remember, say, hey, Pato.
Prof,
that is say. Now we can in that say.
We can remember then the day told of you cool.
What all?
I know the crowd.
All for God
and country.
Country now, Sasha to say, Nyamia Duma, Fiada Day Nimui, Ampire Eja. Fiada Day Nimi Pato, Ampire.
Correct. Oh, I can't 4 days.
I can't 4 days.
Sompa
oh,
yeah, Dominic Market.
Yeah, called Dummy Market.
That's right.
Then it do what? I want the programs in you be run here free. Your presenters. Anyone here buying or backstages, your producers, Sadano, Yajina,
correct.
I want Dummy Market.
Correct.
And to Dummy Adishie, your best remo say, Munji Trie, na Munji Crado. Na ye did no, where ye the brem one casamu fee.
The beam.
One casamu how? How am dummy for?
I'm canning in a house in a gun in a house in a gun. Hannah Ban Penny Food in it's almost canning in a Hannah. That's right.
Now it's a shadow sub you say. I don't mean some guani baka. Or my moon some now only says say as somewhere did he a Ghana hapa the fight against Galamsey.
Oh,
young name say I bear a train more. Galamsey, so Ntina do draw now to a betiabo.
That's right.
To a betiabo.
I buy a trim.
Yeah. Now, buy a basso. What will fight against Galamsey? No, at the same. You're not in tears, Wamatia, you could be a dear Dasono, a year 9 months. 9 months, no, a year, say, Wamaka, all the security task forces, Nina, a boom under one umbrella. Under the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Wamusomana. Wamu Ebwejuma. Kaisa last Friday, ye can be say. Hotspots are a war Galamsey sites are a war Ghana Hejinano. Wamu Bank 44. Yeah. Almost some of the Sarfo, now ye bisa say Sarfo. Ye diomako guha na ana yenya mfanko guho. Now Honorable Kennedy a compre kwa Japan. He has unveiled anti-rigging unit ahead of MPP presidential push. Anti-rigging unit. Hey, Ajibe, ade we me hu ye no. Na ade ba ma adwen mu no say. Na NPP amanyoku no. Anye bia no say womo ekọ akansie internally a. Eya na wie mu ba mu ana. Maybe so.
Question mu oduru.
Ai, eya na wie mu ba mu ana. Na den na Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan ehu. Entia wono was say wagba establish anti-rigging unit.
Anti-rigging you know ne ayawaye. Enye national
Debi
party no
ade. Party no NPP presidential push no.
Okay.
Was say one more establish anti-rigging unit.
Na me pese me hu ni
say. Now one more be kono. One more establish anti-rigging unit.
Okay.
31st of January 2026.
That's right.
One more I establish anti-rigging unit. Okay. Or no na what anti-rigging unit.
Okay. No na pese me say. Ono na what team na say party na.
Debi. Ono na what.
That's right. Na party ni mra ni ma individual who crimes and no yes.
That's also about the ballot buying.
Okay.
I also about ballot buying.
Okay.
And since who adwumo pobi say I can say na mo be kono. Wie mo betimi abebu.
Mo betimi atewo anti.
Mo betimi atewo anti-rigging unit a o ma monitor.
Okay.
O me fia me.
Wait, evil eyes.
Evil o be bio me ni. No, o ma he. Say the be ya.
Firigadochi. Baby amfa baby.
Because asem we dey. Me nya Honorable Kennedy Japan. Odon kase be say ajebia no the past NPP presidential push no. Eya na wiemu bi be mu ana. And then no was sensing tia.
Or the anti-rigging unit na ba.
What the anti-rigging unit? Why establish it? Why form it? Ahead of the MPP presidential push. Where come on now?
And sana on the friend about to babon. That nice be so. And chansa we ba be kase me na say. Wa hu bibi. Wa hu one or two bia.
Aya ya man penyin dada. His Excellency Nana Dodanko Akufo-Addo. Adosho boy. Adogagai. Sabri. Or the blow back one ma. Aya ya man penyin otisu sisi an administration. Was it? Sabre NDC sa unje akwan a wo mu na nso sese ya ase nkugo kwan so na omo ndabro na we ema ne gidie esipise nyame ya doma 2028 na dey ni mu no eno ene be ma MPP amanyokuo no edi nkunim.
Okay.
So modern boy eye NDC
body sese ya so omo nam nkugo kwan so
enso eni omo na mo kirew na nado na eka wo wo se Ghana for dodo na say
Mo number
NDC for namwa womu ebu ye man ni sese no
mo number
anti we no ama omo arehemu se eye den a ki
2028 ne de
womu bedi eye nkunim.
That's right.
Na enye onu kwa na kan yo na the general secretary of the party,
okay,
Justin Kodua,
that's right,
one also the he also added his voice, say I am pa 1 year ago to about in the 2028 elections no. What so many papa? So man to.
Okay.
Also many papa.
Because someone send this year.
This about amamoni enkoyi. And the way our bra na wo see a year wo party office e wo Bantuma constituency. Francis Asenso Boache eda omano wo mu kwakọ bie ano we ho e no mko keka sansem we nyina. Na asem edika ka say the general ba kope. Onim say ye crab match bi wa ha.
World Cup ni Champions League no.
Be ma to safo for World Cup no to so ma be. Ye the World Cup match bi ato so.
Oh my God.
That's so. E je for bobo na mo go screen so na mo go here. Johnson Asiedu Ketia versus Honorable Kennedy. Japan.
Where World Cup no?
Where Champions League.
Okay.
Where Champions League. Yeah, because Omumi no be sakai in the 2028 elections. Why now we talk about
that's right.
Allah lie. Wow, Honorable Kennedy. I come Japan. Wajini kiki ye. Johnson they said you just like hey. 1 million na
na for mo.
Oh, we na for mo.
Wo mo di akasa. Obi are kanko.
Anti that do Champions League finals.
Ghana be
na aye race edun ketia edi nchiremu aba adekudi ntia oko aye thank you todo san komo isusu no aye ade aye bedi ewa ha na nkoma foforo bi so aba betodwa so woni Musa Dankwa global info analytics.
That's right.
What's how you push you
then okay
that's a more Canada say
chirichirim
say no say aye man penye otisu sesia every akonya no so a
that's the time and there
NDC for eco primaries.
That's right.
Aye nipa we ready kan.
That's right.
Aye Haruna education minister.
Oh okay.
Asamo Canon. Global Info Analytics. A recent poll by the Global Info Analytics has shed light on the intensifying competition among key figures of the National Democratic Congress vying to succeed President John Dramani Mahama as flag bearer.
That's right.
And Musa Dankwa, the CEO of Global Info Analytics. Asamwi wodi ababetu dwani na asamu ye bebo modern abomu tokrupa na Global Info Analytics
wasandi be maba
omuze MPP echitafo
MPP echitafo
omuze omu hia esiedu nketia as NDC's flag bearer.
Oh sir.
Hey MPP echitafo
okay
Ozi, enhwehwemu a waye no kire se MPP echitafo se
omo fa ona ba se du ketia mra
NDC se NDC for ye mema wo mo fa se du ketia mra as your flag bearer and NDC voters no so ka se wo mo pe baomia for MPP
anacha say ye what
I don't know you be born a Premier League finals
I know be Premier League
Premier League finals. Now, I don't even know why he said at this particular point in time MPP echita for Ebeka say omo pensiedu nketia as flag bearer for the NDC na impono NDC echita for so say omo pe baomia Dentra.
Now, when mom, I said to get any about me, I could about me about 2 questions. I'm about 150 questions.
One,
we know him to be, giving questions. It's be our set question. Be what my honorable now, honorable so don't remember.
I said to get there.
Ni more thing.
Hey, sure.
General Mosquito.
Now, Obia free Rollins pencil. Who was on the pictures? Me was on the pictures.
Rollins a pencil.
Rollins pencil. What the NDC anymore? What be the General Secretary? General Secretary nobody. Me can't dish here. Na only say John. Omu di senior. Now man we nyina ya. Nyame fa say John.
Oh.
And na NDC no. A educator has risen through the ranks.
Yeah, so and he's now the chairman,
national chairman.
That's right.
Of the NDC.
National chairman.
So also on your
party na bakwa sem dia.
Yeah.
Chano hu go bi so bia.
Your party no efruma.
That's right. That's right.
And easy.
That's right.
Now them dey see what kunkran to me so what? I'm ranti we bi. Anko police station ho. Anko your police for nyadwa. Me no ka say. Aye police station ho no yatum. Sa police for no more hojina. Police for no more hojina. They have been asked to report to Accra. Now they see in mami tro. They say branch bia na wono no work room ho. Na wo call them na TV BC ho. Sa TV no Accra dey no kotoye.
Oh okay.
Na wo call ho so mo kwa akwaji TV no am born search no. Ana mo hu Bronsam Tower wi bi. Na wo kutukum. And no much no, and nobody no call a police station. Now, omo a police needing bakubi. Na media membo dino aha. Say, or no na a bro a brantiana, mameno casay, a brantiano atwana nanim. Oh, the winner, Cromo for Mabunu say, so boku ye this year, dear, yasu ya mamunye juma. Ono muso mutisimo. Gauta ganama. They say IGP say omo shut her down.
Wow.
Tino and come on, a war no. Then that and come on there. I pin so. Let's for a back. I will say your lines, you know. Yeah, okay. But so more sharing says here, and I'm more sharing on Facebook. And I'm more with says I'm going to Facebook page says here.
SOMPA FM.
Now Johnson has said in Ketia.
I don't want to see you.
I don't want to see you.
Not president, former president J.J.
Rawlings of blessed memory. Wow, mon come go page this is yana mo.
Sarfo one year.
Wow, Sarfo one year. Johnson has said to get here.
What didn't suit you?
I said okra notepad bi. I said in some Rawlings say can now or take it down and to the kind of wisdom now. Onye bi free Rawlings.
Nyabi ho.
Until he's risen through the ranks. Onye ni by in the NDC. So, for a commodity idea. I have the Munkai said the lines to my numbers are mobile phrases. So 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Naka said Jumedi, you were a chitafua, Wamaso Asana, the Biada Dano, Yede Ebremo. Naka said, Tontina 74, T74. Yabeka ho asamakyerɛ wo ɛyɛ duduro a ɛyɛ papa ma ebusua bia yɛbɛkyerɛ wo bebia wobenya yade ɛsa yɛbɛka ho asamakyerɛ wo ɛwɔ fidue mu ha na sakai sɛ ɛyɛ Bell Beverages ana Belakwa mineral water wɔn so wɔn aso yɛase kai sɛ wɔn na wɔde Bell Cola abedwaman so 7-star Bell Malt and other drinks with flavors ahudua on the abedwaman so ne border form wɔn so maso yase ne wie yene mo kase na kai say multiple quest say ban metal and glass fabrication and installation sample no person your aluminium window or glass window sliding window or main gate or person the remote to so electric alarm fencing the person ye biado one mo bodjuma papa and so you bet you baby or more na sakai bi say Electoral Ghana Limited e ho na akwa abusua ubenya electronics ekukudam electronics a woto a echeriye electronics a woto a echimato ba ho a ode ko a ombeje na o masesa ma wo ehifa na Electoral for yebeka mo hunsam so akere e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country na kai bi o say Lexta Company Limited. Woman over the Yas toothpaste and a Yas toothbrush. Abedjaman so. Obaso chuchu si anopane wiane nyurea. Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush. Me pacho. Womo jo, womo homena. Ewo omemuha. Nakai. Medima for Herbal Center. Dr. Time Daso. Hey, Doctor, we bruta. Ono osa yade a emre daso yade kwankro bia wo de fa da feature yade a wo bete ne te ede ama we ni ye na boafo na ye koso akai etiefo say SOMPA 106.5 FM ye obi bas na ye de ko domino ye wache de pia ye bechiche wo etiefo nche domi for gaka dwedifo mo nche ne so ye wache de ahodo a ye bechiche
bebre kwa
anti ye bebisa o question bebre presenters omo ha wo mudin e wo so omo hu wo mo afa adwuma ye programs a ye ho ka
sponsors
e wo so hu ye SOMPA nyom ba ko bi ho enwumwe wo ma ntie e wo so sua to pa
ni kwao odi enije ni nkwansha abrabo mu afutu nyamsum ani daso ede enije abro ni panyina SOMPA ba ebe sunima SOMPA TV yabo SOMPA Sunima. All of it to SOMPA. Fato SOMPA TV. Na ya wani pamao. Na unu arada. If he's a good year munsemo ubenya. Aperabo munsemo ubenya. Nyamsum munsem ubenya. Aniji munsem ubenya. Enyumpana kakuma ubenya. Yamaimu amanyosem ubenya. SOMPA di bravo ubenya ni nyina ubenya SOMPA TV, the band of Papini so SOMPA,
Joe Busha for Mama Kwaba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Me ba mo lines no yenye mi ntumo. Nti mo amofre ya mumunyai muntumo boase. No numbo a ye be lines na tum. Why? Ye be sremo. They say lines no ye munyai free. Why? Mo yesa na mo tete mo munyai free. Yeah, we appreciate the fact say when we etie na wo mo pese we will contribute to the program. Yes, but before, without our listeners, we are nobody. And you appreciate the fact. No number ye baby lines. Now, Patrick, also quite pro bono then
we can need me quite pro bono kakra. Na me free Accra. Efa Kaswa. Eko Piemo Winiba. Eko Cape Coast. Me free Cape Coast. Na me remu ho. Eko fa Asin. Ekofa asinfo su fa hwa besin kosi Kumasi me free Kumasi na nra me sign by ebesin eba Accra na prof wo fa Kaswa udru Kaswa otra Kaswa manfrum na ekwan no omoye aban e de nyemagu akwan ma ekwan na ye but it looks like say there's some slow movement be ekwan in as much as say contractors no wasro no movement na ye kakra ma traffic pa de so Africa so man from ho de ko si Winneba junction ho ne de traffic wom pa enye easy kra traffic wom enti ye besre sempanifo a omo hwema mekwan no ya ye no omo mfa enema ntutu akwam na enema enko so mankrofo because traffic na no odin and futuro ni atache no it was too much. Now, what's Winneba nso a Winneba junction so a there's an expansion be air cost wall. Expansion air cost what Winneba junction a omu bie kwan nim. First nanka kwan na ketwa pa but se ano omu biem enti omu bie left and right nyina contractors no omu duafa ama omu de niam egu akwan ma ekoso kama nti bebo aban na baso say wonya sa initiative wonya sa ni so ade hunu no na obie kwan nim amayem na me free wono na me fa asinfo su kwan ne so ene ho so kwan ne de prof boni behwanya se kachiro kwan ne da so smooth
sir
smooth
but etie for a show
so go Facebook
say
kwan ne da so correct ye bo aban abaso say yakwan nyina ti say wo man mu ha enka ye ni problem ekwan ne da so papa nti be bo aban abaso o ya ye beka wa anya so aye beka enti ye mpanifo we ye bom abaso na awreho sem ba ko na mekomiko hu ye na no na ma meboto ye
sir
na wodru adanse praso a prof adanse praso ya be new bridge bi ho na eho ena river pra ena masie
wa o say hin no
adanse praso prof
me ba try for on Facebook once here
me duru ho me re ho ye
SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na wa mo kon hwe eye videos no
prof me duru ho me re ho ye ensuo nani prof ensuo nani aw ayareho Galamsey ya say ensuo nani river plan ani ma ye say gon say ayareho sem
anti river plan
yo river plan epenie enti abusuafo ama mpanifo ani womo a
river
plan prof adanse praso na mkofa yi
adanse praso ye
ensuo nani nie na prof
advance am ya tia say womo fight Galamsey ba
fight na yesen fight ni pa no fight ni yesen enti se yensuo ni a omo muti kromo ensuo ben pa no munyanom
kana kabio
omo muti adanso praso ni the villages around this area ensuo ben pa no mbenyanom
ask again. Bisabio.
Adanse praso for ne ekura atwa ho nyinaa hia. Ensuo ben and ombenya asanom. Because also we river pray, several most of the villages are around. Ne ensuo ni say ya prof.
Challenge me round.
One by den no manya ensuo anom.
SOMPA FM.
One by den no manya ensuo anom.
Miraho.
Ensuo na ni o prof.
Miraho.
Me say me duro me gina ho be 30 minutes.
Miraho.
Now be 30 minutes after me show me bobo me say go me bo. Na after me busa me so many questions.
Isoi. Tinipa daseni.
River pra.
Pesamin kuminya.
River pra.
Pesamin kuminya.
Won kwa wo dia obenya nti.
Pesamin kuminya.
Yes sensuo naniwa.
Na kum ye nyina.
Yen kum ni pa.
But you see, 1 year ayesa no, they forget say wo mabusuafo ebenum sensuo yi bi.
John no the onions are.
They forget who.
So benya ne de no.
They forget say yagye ni cancers bebre abaya.
So
Kolebuti hospital e ka mansam no.
Ewo mufa. Mercury. Any other minerals.
Just say Ghana.
The chrome also adwuma titru po am ye farming. It is asase na o ma say ni nyina no. E chrome for be daddy, the chrome for be dan nyansuanom. And say nyam nwanwa say Ghana water for say almost spending enough money in treating our waters. It's so sad. Man panigma me draw na me kan hu say so agitate say there should be an emergency on the Galamsey no.
They omudika. Now onim say and democracy have for demonstration be against
illegal mining. Omudika na say na Catholic bishop for the battle that say state of emergency.
Ghana Medical Association. Mati say University Teachers Association of Ghana for youth association already
Obia fan hu nyimbi. Me the prof say anyem ko hu ye ntinu me ba me gina mu bi.
But me say can we win the fight as our mind?
We can if we change our minds.
Ye betimi aye. Because this is so bad.
Prof.
This is so bad.
Media
River Pra.
Nanka ne me hu nyina ye internet pictures. But wait there me anka kasa. Video ye ekwe me anam de me phone we try. It's so bad. River Plan is so bad. And I would gina bridge in the so otu ani a. Who say a quick
Ati yebeye dem pa na yenso no enino asaba the original blue color yenimu.
Prof.
What you say? Friend say China for you. Excuse my language. 1 year Eddie Galamsey ni sa champagne ni amai ebe kire say yetimi tu e form agudie e wo isuo ase no. O me die hwemo pa. Ana o ma be die wu kese.
Yankai o mampani say niema abandada nie ne di edintintima ye ma abandada ye to abati ano eye nsem we bi Galamsey.
Charlie, it is so serious.
It's a man penny on for the Nancy form.
So serious.
Yes, then now on for the Nancy form.
Very
because
disturbing.
Yes, you are near Yarian Cote. Yarian Cote. We've a plan in that house.
So I am not surprised, say. I do break in Ghana water for saying. And no spending much. And no cry your toa. Yedi sonny yensu ni said the bear crujama yanomano. A bono, a cosoro. So why do we do this to ourselves as a country?
Prof.
And our free owners are going.
Me front me them nam kwane so na me pie Kumasi. And then ram me free Kumasi ebesin call Mbisimba Accra. Na prof. Sir, answer maybe ye accident ho report bi wa ha about the number of yearly people who have died because of accident and all that. Prof, and then me some cases do say most of the accidents happen on our roads,
Oh there.
And yeah, cars in the fault.
Drivers.
Yeah, drivers now.
Drivers in the fault.
Wrong overtaking. What Kumasi Accra Kumasi kwane so.
Me say, wrong overtaking. Pato mami nko Patrick mami nasi say ultimi yes adwuma no mami na mami nko di nkomo we sisi na said the medical two jano me can say and yenya ye papa doku ewa ha special aid to Johnson Esiedun Ketia ye no eba be din komo but we understand say Esiedun Ketia ekwa probono ono a di nenum sam edi tudwa ono a edi ne kasa no edi tudwa na den na oka ye san komo no ade a ewo se ye bo kire ye na etifo na ye etifo eti but before then no mamema ura deku akwaba me pacho ura deku ma akwaba
ya jamini
pacho na pom ti say
ala da o mame ho ye na nso ye
wallahi muntashi
akoya ala nkrofo yin ho ye
obi ahụ ye minim se bibia ofisu de bibia ye krojen
bani bia ni ho
bibia ni ho na ndisi amanyo ko no mu
emojo boko
gidi bibia ni na mu bo ejuma soso
eguso e bo
but de bi mu ayema adwin se de mu ye no kra mu nya hu ye
o se nyu mu ni ya ma ho
enyomu
nya se ni pa ni ya ma ho
sa
mo ma ya ma ho mu a omo hu hia saa de ye no e benefit won no de omo ni ajipa
na se sangrofo ni nyina no Ghana adihie enti se o ka se enye omo na wo ya ma omo a na che se uyi omo afim omo nka Ghana fo ho
sanye omo na ye mfa ne se obi a oti mikuru mu go so
sure
wo di ehia no pa
no kre
so atiase enti se me ya ade e bebo go so fo na wo tenkran ha na wo se o mpe onti ase a senya wo na me ya ma in so far as say nipa na me ya ade na ma o ye go so fo no
yeah
ade no me minim se ho hia wo mu no wo mani je ho no mu pese ye de ma wo mu no de enti na se me ma meti ye me ya wo we
enti no de omo kana enka mo kutu kra
de no bi kan
His Excellency a man penyin dada na nado danko akufo ado say say hwe modern bo a mo bo as abanya ye man hye dan koyi enu ma omo ahwehye 2028 omo bedin
wa ankasa wo ye Ghana ni dia na enkoyi eden na enkoyi
see the fight against Galamsey
SOMPA FM
ye kokumasi also beko Kotoka International Airport no kofa domestic flight eno na do we drone tem nso aja kurasini nso plane nso mesi mako VIP akwa kofa bus at the end of the day nyina bedru Kumasi but whereas I me ho number ya me ya no onso be se sika kese a che de me de coin ye kodura de coin no enu ho akontabo no bi akwa kogu so atiase wo ba be ye bi wo kwan a wo fa so toto wo niema ena Ghana for the first time in the political history of Ghana ye to abato no eni soldier for nsem na wa amanyofo nsem na amanyuko mi no to aba na straight away ba ko oko parliament
o just say o numbers no kitwe bi na oba popular votes nso so the president nso a ebroso bebiri
and no ye verdict Ghana for my of course ye team mesumi ye team any ebo match se me no me no obia beka so ni ball bo
no correct
na at the end of the day goals so abeba ne the referee bagie no eno na che
ye be hu winner
and this in 40 something percent 38.
And you're 38, 41.
Say yes,
41.76. 41.76. Please.
What the Yamma omu 42 kura. Yamma omu 42. Mensumeni na 58.
57 and not 58. Okay, so I'm moving to so maybe I can audio no. Okay.
Na oba be ka kire me say
Sompa FM.
Ghana for any nyedie ye no ho a. I mean, na dia asem na woka.
Na obayin onsese and ye mfunyi bi kire o River Pra. Galamsey no hwese de nsu ni asay. NDC amanyoku as a government. Mo hu bibi say ya. What does he tell you?
Asa ayayem sisi enye obi aka kire o say Galamsey eye ne afo aso a na menim nipa kro no Ghana oman ya ofiri so ana say Ghana ba bia ofiri so atasi but the catch was obi so obefa plane e de akokuma so obi so obefa VIP akọ obi so obefa of friend is state transport akwa ye nyina be kwa kodu mase na kontabuo no ye ma ye nyina 10,000 wakodu ntem ye bebusa se usika anka ye wa sika se na wo se no bo nsa wo de no wa animu bebri menso so ebi ana menso me de na ye keto bi so atase na at the end of the day ye kwa koye ene ehwo ka no na be kire obi agina bre uchi
meti opa
me if you ask me enka me maka kire o se Galamsey oti senko bi eye Galamsey enka yinina sem kura
ka straight away near jailing no
ka straight away in jailing no. But you see, you need revolution. You democratic governance.
Sure.
Inti ye bibi anu wasi ya de
famra kwan so.
Ya de famra kwan so ni atutu. Ena, esanse ye democratic governance intini, it calls for dialogue. Ese se ye nyina obi ade na dwene ba.
Na dwen ba.
Ni ehwe kwan papa ye nyina ya dwene ne behia ne de befa so. Ebinum say yen use force.
Sompa FM.
Yen declare state of
emergency.
No say the creation of state of emergency no. Say nipa bebre nim de kire.
But one say nipa bebre nim de kire wa bra na mo opposition no. Na mo party fo ni bi eka.
Oh, ene ya ye kan ye party fo ni bi kura anso kan.
Say mo declare state of emergency no.
Ye party fo ni bi kan. But you see, executive powers. Yeah. Opesa wo ya. I was say we take steps. And we say why exhaust all the avenues? Why exhaust all the processes? And can say we stop what the end. And na nye yi. And we declare state of
emergency.
And na said the man penin kan no. Baby e Galamsey ni. Ene na obi frɛ me say afo baby. Adwene kura massa Galamsey. Ana wan kofa kwasi broni amfa na ama na ode wo bibini na yeden. So atasi. Asase ni mu sade no. Wode ye betena say yemfa asase ni mu sade no. Yemfa hwe ye ho.
Sure.
Yemfa bi enchekere oman.
Sure.
Onim se tete no. Ade akura na me nya din Galamsey. Gather and sell.
Sompa FM.
Baby wo ha gold ni e we be se nsuo to. E kai se kenyasi afo kenyasi. Nsuo to na etwefa gatemu a. Na ye wia na wonante oto boase nante gate obetima peke gold no.
Gold ne guess ni bi.
You gather it ofifa na mako no akoton.
Gather and sell.
Ena ma ye hu se gold elf. na whereas akwasi broni obepe mfidi kwan so ede aye se adwuma no de ayi of friends no gold no yenso ebe use the crude way in getting it. What you say? Na de ye no eya kwese inu amanu ne ebi esika obenya ni inedi no se yare ebonu sika waboabo no be bosome no ode be wana e de be ko hospital
ti ode tutu Galamsey no so ho a enso so aso no ho a den na pa kire pote
jempe se me kire ni se nipa ni bibiri se so be fa kwan papa so na ne boarding na obe bransa na nensa aka sika no obefa kwantietie bi so dia sei eniema bibiri enti at the end of the day no sika no obenya no eniema obesei no no sika no ntimi ntwa sa eniema ne ka enso no asei no but na dwen no say ade na o sei no no enye ono nko o say omaya de sei egupu
ekra no asem na o kan ye no me menti ase ne na sei se umpo no ye wa adwen se wo kwa ko sei ye nsuo sesi a wa sei nsuo na wi nsuo na wa sei no no sesi enuane a ye to odwomu adi nyina no ehon sunsun aso ewo nuane ubukwa ko sa ewo nuane muko to aduane na odi wi a na o yade a se sika na wo
SOMPA FM
na do ko sa wan hwe ekra na se sika na kra enti kan sa anje wo nkwa
so atiase na me de aban wayi eka mfa no se maban a meti ase ene se sika ne de wo ye dan ya ese fom ye dia ye betu ese se ye tu
o se ye tu ba o se ye tu ne kwan paso
that is it
ne kwan paso
so atiase ya wontimi nkum yufu a
Dabi
egu failed ho nyina wo ye ne dan on besa akotu but we declare state of emergency and say nipa no say wo ye dan ukun mu ana opam mu na ampam say wo tutu ye dan
ebo
na wo pam mu no so no ede no okọ akwakodi
akoye eno nti na maka cooperatives no ho asem no
so ati say enti say sa na tie dia ye mfrasie mu aboa wo ma no na ye ma won kyerɛkyerɛ ekwan ya fa so ye den
ye betu no e wo ne kwan paso a enko say river ene ne ye nkwaye
na ye mpe kwan ya be fa so a sese no ebedu ba bi no to gold a wontimi fa nkɔ wontimi so green fa nkɔ obeton ne Ghana ena Ghana ha de obeba beto no ansa kura ansa na obeto mra esise ne se ese wo kire ba bi a wo ye den
onya free but for now the omuntimi nkire wo
for now wontimi
nkire because now na metie mi amenu asami gemfi na o kire mu o say with time no they will be able to know the source of a good now with the but for now that's the challenge.
So I say eno ya ade a ehwo na sese ye de ye de anihwe enti ye boa wo mu ano na ye ma won kyerɛkyerɛ no ne ye twe won so free ensuo ne ho
SOMPA
esi me no okasai asrafo ne aprosifo ne blue water gas
for
no ya ti o magum a ya ma o mu kyerɛkyerɛ a o mu be yi sa nipa ne nyinaa afri ensuo no ho na afi kwaye brentuo a yesema yentu agudie yenkomu nkotu agudie no a bi no ko nyinaa ya betwe wo mu nyinaa afri sa kwaye nim ya twe wo mu afri mu awie no asase na gold no wo so no a enye ensuo ho no ebe wo ho enti ba bi esese kata na be kata so na nua na esese edua
eno sa nkyere mu ni nyinaa de aba ya te ase ba sese no akwase ekuku bi e wo Ghana ha sese wo mu nyinaa bo ndwo so in the democracy hub ye hu se wo ma ye work bi all in the fight against this Galamsey. Ghana Medical Association for Akasa, Catholic Bishops Conference for also Akasa, and other civil society organizations. Bia Akasa. Now NDC for what to say? One more Kasa say. How do you feel? You feel listen.
Oh, say. I'm a more. Say. Yana nipa wika na politicians it is a politician. Obi se sofo se kasoko ne. O ro no hona ma ne DC ya MC no nya agi a eda no ano no abe politician na ne wura fi so abe politician.
Na ne wura fi so no ye sofo.
No ye sofo.
Na se wa be dan the politician.
Be dan the politician. Into politician any politician wo ba bia wo ene ye show your ma appointment we are
madame politician
madame politician. So the very moment we better share atade as a politician, you think as a politician.
So
nipa na on street is no, yes, any democratic rights, but the point is that you shouldn't allow those Emma won't lose focus.
Say 1 year
you are focused when you just say sir ade we ya me ye na de me de kwa akosie ni na steps sese me take ni enam de akoduru sa bia na me pese me de kokosie no so ka se wo tie nchen a Pia
ebe hard
the eba ne say we be lose focus
until we are cost or by mo hanyina no ema NDC amanyoko no en lose focus in their fight.
Lose focus in our fight again
but I have my dream there.
Oh, of course nipa na ebu man no obi a yama na aban position bia no we nipa enti enye den a ebe
see yemfa ne say democracy hub ne de omo ye na yenhwe Catholic Bishops Conference kasa omo kan
ni
enti no ade a hamo
ni nyina hia
hamo
but enha
NDC
ni nyina hia but
enhamu asamanyoko
masa how say
because ebe tete was yeah kase e ba Galamsey fight
enti na me ka say so oye in governance no and say we allow me can say
1 year wa bonten di omo beye
bebre no wo twe wadwene ko ho bebre a wadwene be free de wo ye no so
Matuase, you better was but then you don't take crana. Your friend say, Over Hama, you Eddie and Como. I wish I force I feel do if you did not to her. Your Honorable Mohammed Kweku Doku, or a special aid to Johnson Esiedu and Ketia, and Deputy Director of Protocol and Logistics, our NDC headquarters. Onande Yenene Eddie and Komoi. Now, Eddie can, Mammy Bissau. Honorable Johnson Esiedu Ketia. Waba bonting edi ababe tudwase onyaya after the exit of President Mahama obe contested on the ticket of the NDC through the primaries ana watu na enum tu
senka monsen jiro for na mbedi card
onyankasai
me kire se wakasa
Sompa FM
ka monsen jiro for muna mbeti
but when I ben no obhwe ne ye ne nkasa yi mu a ofi se onyaya obeba
ne ye dada no a minim no ano na ekuta no
enti say there's no declaration of intent
mente won kan bibia na onye bibia nso nkyere me se
onyaya obehim franka ama
de waya akire me waka amatie ene se waka amatie ene se Saban we odaso wo ye ka toddler
odaso wo ne nkola brem
ne motofo abrem
abrem
afi na otutu osua or
nanti ama ne sia be
fifiri no atimi ya board ye watimi awibi nenti obia party no wa ahoɔden no fabua na aban no ntimi nyina ne nan so na otimi toto niema ne yeyi a ayandisi obia wo mbia bedi mu mfaso.
Okay, they say the butter kesia
no.
Wow, really?
The butter kesia no. Na party no so so e wo aban no. Yan hwe se eno so so ye be so ye be miemiemu ye be pagya party na si ho na atai aban na chi.
Yes, say obu ebusuemu na oto a adihye ene pre 2028 ye nyina enim se ehwe Ghana ha ya amamra na ema ho kwan se ye mampenye otizo sisi obekọ akonwa to adihye na pre. Honorable Johnson Esiedu Nketi onye ni paketwa ye ka adihye a wo MPP amanyokudu mu a oye NDC amanyokudu mu a oye adihye kronkron abe wonwa ana enye wonwa se obepre
Sompa FM
yenye nuo
abi enya me nwanwa in the sense say oye NDC ni
enya wonwa se obepre
ba yenya nuo
but ebetimi asa ye wonwa se ompre
ebetimi asa ye me nwanwa se ompre meche se enya me nwanwa because oye this year oye NDC ni konkon.
Okay, mama yenkone nkotie Johnson Esiedu Nketi a controversy abesi a ewo omemu ha obia eka ho asem se eye oko thank you to no oko no because opese obehim franka ema eye NDC amanyeku no enwom ye de a etifini wura no wi a ne yakọ ni special aid no na yene no akoto ankomodie no so
and okure President Mahama waba from regional capitals Adidas. Etime background bidum say na president Adidas here we obey. Na say campaign no president fa na fa. Ana no so me fa ma fa. Etime bia me ko ya campaign no. Me ka tell omo say me saka me ba be da omo ase. It is a president Adidas here regional capital. Nabeso asamanka sina mabeshe mebwa sasa manka sina ese musuko kodasi ebi na benso mamba sema bia ya chebo bia se ye winia ye beba beda sibia no ye beko ho ya koda wo mase ebi ebe aba ye to to bi enu so eda sia no yenim say Ghana for be play say ya ni abedi party animu a ekunim diaba and so we mu pa NDC headquarters wo ye to aba no bi wo ho ba bia ye to aba and the branches no it is a branch for ya duma na wo bo de ho aboma maya na wo say ye to ye ko branch ho no a omo ye adwuma no a ye di home patrol na eso ye kokoda omo ase edoti ena dwumre ya ba se e ba beda na no ma bobo mpa ye gu nsama ye etu afutu pa ede ma ye ena e party branches na obia ye adwuma e ma ne branch ekunimdie ba ya ye keka si ani a e ma ye wini city no ya ba beda mu nyina so ase na ye Bible ne say adwuma de awafru duapa ene piano enoti ya presiti hosa afia branch executive fo amaba yatimi win city no the Bible ne say dodo no a edru say ye to aba party no ebe hunu de moye na wama matanta and okra President Mahama waba pro regional capitals Adidas Etime background bi no say na president Adas here we obey na say campaign no president fa na fa and I'm so me fa ma fa etime bia me ko ye campaign tie SOMPA me ka tell omo say me saka me ba be da omo ase it is a president Adas here regional capital na me so asamanka se na ma be se me boa Sasa mankasi na ese msumu kodasi. Ebi na menso mamba. Sema bia ya chebo bia se ye winia. Ya beba beda sibia no. Ya beko ho ya koda wo ase. Ebi ebi aba. Ya totu mi enu nso. Eda asia no. Ye ni mse Gada for bebre say yani abedi party animu a ekunimdi aba. And so we mu pa NDC headquarters wo ye to aba no bi wo ho. Ba bia e to aba e de branches no. It is a branch of fire animu. Na wo mo de ho amoma e maya. Na wo say ye to ye ko branch ho no a wo mo ye adwuma no a yeah, you home back. So the Congo down once. I don't see and you bring your basse. A barber that and another mobile by your good summer, ye two a futupa at the man, and a party branches in man. Ubia, Juma, a man, a branch, and couldn't be by ya, Yakika see a near, a man, you win this city. Yaba, that would swasi. Now, your pipe on the set. Ajuma they are all fruit yapa and piano and noti ya presiti hosa afia branch executive for amaba yatimi win the city no the pipe on the say dodo no e true say ye to aba party no ebe hunu de moye na wama matanta
Yo, Busha for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. This is one of a political platform that you can never do without. Busha for when it comes to the afternoon, late political talk shows. If you really want to be informed, digest the issues. So, but the necessary questions, this is where Oba will scrutinize you very well on issues and number one thing. I know do akwa babio.
Ya jamini.
Say wait Johnson is here don't get here. He says
Wona wati.
Me na metie.
Me dey na me wo hobi.
Wo dey na wo hobi. Okay, ya says na wo hobi a. Na chese wo dey wonim dey call support pa. Because me dey kakra bi na menya eti. Ti dem pa na call so.
Yo minu ameda asi bebre. Na machi a wati efo nso so. Dia tie ni se ya na muntu etu ye no. Ejina ofrene sen. Eniema mienu so. Ba ko ye Bible mu asem.
Ba ko ye Bible mu asem.
Bible mu.
SOMPA FM.
Ba ko nso ye Asante amamre ya menka na
ya akan na mamre.
Ya kan na mamre na Ghana ya mamre. Deɛ ya kan amammerɛ ne sɛ asɛm ba fi nyame mfasa ma o sɛ ayi kɛseɛ bi ba fi na woyɛ busuani a yɛmfa ne sɛ ayie no asi wɔ Kumase woyɛ busuani ɛwɔ Nkran ha wone producer nso yɛ busuani wɔ Nkran ha ɛna abusuafoɔ no ebi framan ayie ni nya duru so a obia onim obi na menim se ni pasmesi o ni nua na afimu obia expect wo kro no a ayie na sisu ne se ni nua na ye adwuma won kan enti na adwuma ye fo ba den ebedi na chi aba na yonkofo bedi na chi aba nyesa na tie
pepe
obia na che se obia be kwa akose na dofo na nyame ye yadom na ye ni duru so na obia invitation o tro ye no na dofo no eso aye ho ebeja no ebejam no ye beta na chi na ye hye na nimunyam a eye na chi no asante amamre no abusua pani adwoada ye teteka ye bibia wia
ye tenase a na ebu nkunta
na ebu akonta wia abusua pani eja obia kwan a na watena fidie so ene afidi kase so na wada manfo abeja no nyina se na bia wade ko television so abusua pani asmasi wo so wada mu nyina se onu awie no mi jimidi ye se wonu a wonso so kwase wa yonkofo wadwuma yefo wonuanum ane won ebo afipam ni ade ma ye de do ebe se wanimonyam no bibia nsi kwan se wonso beda sa nipa ni nyina den beda wo mase iso ma be se wanimonyam
and we nyam for a party chairman
what did you mention
material
Ghana ha munyina munyim me wie no so me fa no to
sure
the award trust mu no enso che se monko gina tete atempon no so na monhwehwe ba bia kwampa ne wo na monfa sa kwampa ne so na monya nkwaje ayeden amomkra NDC me dia me TB me na me CD ani
oh sir
me ka ho bi ne ati NDC ya the starter cells to say important
yeah
na mpenifo nipa ene ya the starter ye eno na ewo mu e beda na unit
eno na
CDR committee for the defense of the revolution
yes
yani starter
because we can CDR
dabi Mr. CDR kedes no yani
kedes no me kai
na the identity party no ne say ye party ni free form
from the grassroots
near friend cells
one ko fana and free soro
there be
one tin wo soro
there be any the bath
free form say bi mu dia if soro a e ba for me
inde minim ni pakura ne dia free soro ba for me yanom dia ne dia nya no ho asem na me ka ne ha
but susu nim say yanom dia ne free soro na e ba for me
any the tete part enti dia tie ne say ye bibia ye ya na montu as a political party no ye dan grassroots no na somewhere along the line no ana time na ye dan grassroots no bibia ye betie free grassroots no ho ne de ye adwuma no na party no nhye bia ye den ekoyie fi so mu ka ho bi ene ye nhye no nti ekokodu so ne so ne so ne de ba implementation is
very easy.
And I tie a man for an NDC and crash for party. An NDC
and your cratch for party.
And cratch for party. A cratch for any NDC.
A cratch for any NDC.
Yes, near by your home elites. Yes, you ever fire animal to my nibby day.
A fry.
I feel with the boy near. What the boy near Chirikra. Enti you were saying that you are national chairman. Ono so ye kedao.
Menim.
And I said no. You be kwa ko gina titi atempon ne so. Ni ahwehwe ba bia kwampa no a ye de titi NDC no. Na ya fasa akwan ne so. Na party na gina. Na etimi akokon na edinkunim.
Sa pepepe no ye.
Pepe.
Na obi beka say mo wi thank you to ye hu say his excellency ye man panyin ekobi na ade na sabre
ya ye na wi abusua panin wada ase wono a wadofo no a okosere wo mu mo ye beja wo no sebe eye papa se wona wo mase hwe yebe start a campaign before the campaign no
until 1 year kasa no they don't have any base
ya botre before campaign before campaign said the America say ever say dun ketia ye kida no nim said the grassroots no wo mu ye wo madwuma no say grassroots wo motivate no a wo ye adwuma e na aba no so grassroots wo ne to aba no the first set of t-shirts are over 100,000 t-shirts are yensa kan ye no you say dun ketia any the leader of the party you John Dramani Mahama etna se ye no say said ye 2024 elections no ya adwene say you better rely on the strength of the branches no as I say motivate one into the first set of t-shirts are party no or die no
what do you call grassroots
me through fun as in dance in the there is no constituency yamfa marriage
what do you call constituencies
me say yamfa marriage ya constituency one kra no yamfa nse constituency chairman na ho ahwansem ye lanche no ladade kotopon ayi Greater Accra omu regional office wo president nankasa na be lanche na mi gina ne nchen na mi gina ne nchen as deputy director for logistics and protocol president eyi unim ni ya chechere no politin bag mu 99999 enti oyi se won nsem a no ya bo branch kro ni din na me di amano as a symbol. That's what we did. And after that, you know, and now we t-shirts na kanina de ma party headquarters logistics department, you know. My boss Ludwig.
Yeah.
And okay, or charge you and say, "A kwan bia e be fa so." Ama t-shirts, you know, I could drew branches, you know. One person be ko baby. Na be ba say branch ni eseni kukwafo mu na de ko campaign, and we did just that. You were saying that you could pay sika edema ye kwa car kese tracking
o pay sika be sen
o kaska me say ye di be fuel
okay
so I just say ye di be fuel ni bia koduru ba bi na sa ade asan ya ba bia ebeda ye hu siasa ni ya frɛ no na wa me ya send ye bi sa ni ye no sa from constituency to constituency
and ye ade na ono no right from day one no.
That is it.
Now or touch with the base of the party and you know so akosere mo ade a na so kono ni oni kokasa no
ana babia so ayekoye wutie campaign no so eche mu miensa ayeche campaign teams no ye no miensa flabere kutabako ena ne running mate kutabako ena party na nkasa nso so at fake no ye team ena the chairman tua no.
Oh, okay.
And he led the party campaign, then DC party campaign team.
And the 1 year,
na to boase. Ye wie no. At a meeting no, and what say opese flag bearer. Opese flag bearer. Any offend say any running mate. Omu team si no mienu. Omu team si ni mienu. And concentrating on presidential campaign and votes. Now, yen as a party team, no, yen concentrating on the MPs.
Oh, I now get it, the story.
So you realize, ansana yebeko region biya no yema region for no. To say the woman yema region for no ye omu program. No ma indicate. In every constituency no baby a MP no any party executives no one feel say a difficult area for them no na omu I indicate enti where na presidential campaign team here you know adwuma or constituency centers and regional centers, you know, we concentrated down there at the grassroots. Until your constituency be a young baby akrano, yeah, for is it zonal centers and 4 wards and the most difficult ones and near. Make sure baby, ya na me we fi kroni din. Canada Japan. Asin
inside
oh ko Canada Japan kuma. Krono kwan that left. O kwa ekosi krono ekwan ne nko ba bia biu. Ho na since 1992 there be ho na Canada Japan de win. O busa na obeka to a bend dumping. I want to know what they win. Yeah, 2 years in we are a whole omukuta voter population best 600. Na no a free ho.
A bar now about the man win.
Samote say a call a year 2020
by elections now.
Debbie Canada Japan ya buy a 2 obeka say don't get here the Nikon Swenson would di mu 1 full day and call Lusu ni seat.
Mekai Sasem.
O kan Sasem.
Mekai.
It was because say baby and na party ni BNC hoda no you could wura hokoye campaign enti na ni ba ne ho so no na yen ya bono from sa community no an da so so you see yeah style of campaign no ye no ene
SOMPA
and some ya catch mu no ne say ya to abani baby wa ko edu ya to abani wi a ya ne adi so noku beba me ya den
Etwi.
Ya ba betwi ya beba be damase ne ya betie de ehia mo na ya ye de amamo na masa branches no akuye ho ya adwuma we a ya wen ne ebinsi metima ka say the whole West Africa party bi antimi enwen apart from Togo omo democracy ehun di. Now, yeah, was my mom Kodasi.
Because I was reading somewhere and I came across this news item, Sami Jenfi. Now on the Suchrimu. Now someone Sami Jenfi edit to Jan and say, dear Sedun Ketia, no, and from so be anymore. Or you're the leader of the party.
Sure.
And I had to baby. And I was say, yeah, or you're the party Nikodasi. Now, baby, or a president and the vice crown, Omunyabre, they are concentrating on the governance of a year of mine. And you know, sir, Omo taxi a party opinion for no more the party chairman, a tuano, so Omunko Dasia. And young for
so bad, master.
Somewhere some agent for kind idea. A idea a Thomas. And
the other issue, I hear what discussing in and they say. Masa no kure eye baako after a friend is saying after say a to about 1 year MPs MPs no aba parliament almost at parliament adwuma ne din ti no nye nipa ni nyina na etimi ekura asan akọ won ochi eni amanfo na yeden akwa omumanfo akwa kosia obi o ha the expectation na o wa wode kwoto aba se ne MP be ya ama no ne MP ntimi nye obi o ha appointments kura aban na ye no obi o ha no expectation e be ye no nadmo coordinator obi e be anyway ya anye enti abufuo ene
Never be a was until some pekwan
be so bad.
No more
ya hwenka bomu.
Oh, okay.
So wutie general speech ni nyina once I get into the tail end you know wo kan ka bomu asem.
Sure.
Say ya nka mom na adwuma pa aban na ye no ya ntai aban na tia. Ebe nu ye ho daachi.
Okay, yamfa nkomonisi akasema be say enan na me no ewie. But my main bisa on this global info analytics. Musa Dankwa ya ujinedi pa. The organization ujinedi.
Oh,
or credible.
What the pass also.
But do you have some
Oh, I have some level of respect and trust. Some level. Yeah.
Of trust for the researcher or the Bab Mountain. And our research is be or the Bab Mountain a common favor. No,
Metiasia pa a common
NDC favor. So, are you credible, Anna?
Or you credible?
Yes.
Up to this level.
Up to this level,
Up to this point, yeah.
And now he comes out with the information say MPP supporters, say Johnson is here Ketia, the flag bearer for the NDC. And NDC supporters, say Baumia, the flag bearer of MPP. Do you believe in this?
Oh, to some extent, yes. Because so-called grounds, now I call Swedruno.
Yeah.
I mean, I said, Okasa pictures now. And shoe. When who say, see a funny panel 100.
Yeah.
Emu 30.
A PC don't get
MPP for
Omo PC don't get ya.
Tebi, the mention one as a program nasi.
Yes.
Nipa betina say, a train ye bikura or a bikura into the night, you know. Metimaka say mobile 30%. A MPP for and nasa woman and dumb party beer.
Oh, sir.
But ya tidino. I say don't get ya. I told her you do baby now rule na we hear about for man. I crack it to our opponent. I said one at one, say don't get ya at one.
SOMPA FM.
What tea a dinner cacano
So in that light, you know, does it also mean say Baumia also appeals to some supporters of the NDC, just like you have explained?
He may, but the American say, make him a culture of pain in plain language. Say,
sure.
Results are NDC nya, of friend say no. Results are
NDC nya.
Make him a say move 10 to 15%.
Every MPP.
MPP 4. The move 10 to 15%. Floating voters.
But would you say, and now Ubejatum say, or would you be surprised say, 2028, Ebesi Dunketia versus Baumia?
Me the America say Enro.
Now Global Info Analytics was high another pools. Or say Nipa or share Sabri we really kind. Haruna Idrisu, Education Minister.
Already can with them.
MPP, NDC, I beg your pardon, NDC for a year flag bearership race.
Flag bearership race be a nyenru baby, any baby.
But if I see some come on,
me a fake member.
Oh, okay.
Me a functional executive committee member of the party.
And yes, I'm commoning young Kobe.
Yes, me dear, as you doing it.
And you know, everyone want to be.
They had this guy say was fake, and they say we should rally behind the government. But you better rally behind the government. I say, yeah, appointments, baby. I'm a functional executive committee members. We were like, Minia, no offers here about Sammy Janfi, Pablo Mo,
yeah,
and any Panibre take executive positions. So as I say, a Jumanoa Abeto Musunintino, a more crime, Emma fake a Jumanoa, a dear Somus, and won't mean yen. Yeah, so we are at FEC and we are finding ways to strengthen the party.
Oh, okay, first
to strengthen the to strengthen the party.
Strengthening the party.
The party first. Na yata banechi ama nsese manifesto ye no mu nsese no wode ya guide na mane dia ye adwuma. Na ye gidi ye at FEC we at the Functional Executive Committee no we believe say your mama said the niema si ko toto niema Galamsey sem dollar sem cedi sem and they said the infrastructure development what abana ni so etimi guide no near support no ye tanechi manitimi ya obia obepie party no ebe yi no say onko gina ya nan no nkuta franka no.
So Uber feel say be too early for Musa Dankwa to be coming out with pools like this.
Masa
Yenina
but what I'm saying is eno hu no didi.
Eno nejuma no.
Nejuma wa ye didi no.
Okay.
So you can't say too early or too to him no. The office our year obey attracted attention. Na ma nejuma no so akoso no. Eno ye I don't blame him.
Papa mpacho mama na wase. See you to ensafre ma wo ba ye.
Honorable menso me da wase. Ne mo ansa na me sori no. The mechanic say yen as a party no. Branches no. And then eye di hiade pa. Branches no ne achi ye ni ehwe ye reorganize ya ye di edi sankunima ye di so atiase na me assure branches ni say ye be koso na de sese ye bia ma wo mu etimi ye wo madwuma as branch executives no ye be koso aye e de ama wo mu ne buo ni anidie se fata bia nso ye de be ma wo mu ni ya hye wo nkran ni akanya ho wo matimi aye party adwuma na ma party no ejina ne nan so etimi support aban no amankunimdie eni amamupa any asetena pa abamanfo.
Yes, so you better was say pass on my hokama ye ne wudin komo na Honorable Mohammed Kwekudeku on our special aid to the chairman of the NDC Johnson Esiedu Nketiana Tisemene no aiding komo no ebusuafo ye dan ho abasisi aye ba my guests are already seated. I know lawyer KK Sebe and Minua we try na am refini din I didn't got this obed opinta na me pe no say the obed is na pinta na me pe na busu ye dan ho abasisi a
medo edra no pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wusi o do na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and etwitwi mesima me nya homka senti na ye bokoi na me de me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem na wo hwese me se aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me do shimisi enti na wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, and do yas herbal, yas whitening, and yas total care gel toothpaste, and the brush. Abusian chamfa. Sawo pedudu 2 e won kran ha. From Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abedwaso abeboy.
Techimano foi Electoral abeja near the munamuni amapani nyinanso abo we Thursday ya 10th April 2025 Raya showroom foforo na wo Kumasi Techiman kwana so
ye dey Roma sorry dino and say backside ne die animhwe
Property with Samsung TCL Media Nasco TV AC fridge gas cooker washing machine deep freezer home theater microwave blender kettle rice cooker any amapapa ka ho nyina na woni mbribi e kan for Baku 50 ebenya 15% discount any achede it brabeta de kan ho na senya
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye nti abaso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je
21st clinic nkoa wo mo de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert
tontonte yanum nsane e fa adwen ne e fa adwen ampa se na nim se bre bi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no e ma immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho den tonti na 74 yi nso ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa anka fi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi ɛyɛ hahama ɛne yɛde ayɛ na DHC ɛna aframa na yɛ kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ne apɔmuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baabi eto nnuo bia wobɛnya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi ɛnyɛ ma ɔba a wafa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufoɔ ana sɛ obi a onya mfie dumienu ɛtufo mfrɛ 0501628931 ɛna 0246073498 FDA agi adwadie nkratoe yi atom
Abusafo ekoso aba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country 11 after 4 5 o'clock we'll activate our lines. Remember numbers to call 0260-196064 0260-196065. Lawyer Sabe it is saying
otumfo nyankopon adaroma
share body nation is what started difufu
yesi aba papa adaroma waba amakonya kunsuo ene aye ko ene ne aba papa no ene sesesi amene ugina aye kasei obekọ Flagstaff house enimu ho no wona wonbo democracy hub ombo akufuado eti so se ono na ama Galamsey ati na yenua Sami Jemfi ene now is it communications minister also
Sami Jemfi
gold board there be ene
Jata na kasa communication
yes
digital technology
yes ese nyankopon enkum akufuado ema won no ene sa nipa ku na da so gina ho asema mo kan se yensuo no asai apro atete apansam 2024 kunyako nsuo na ene clean no
clean 2024
there are a lot of evidences there. The pictures are there
2024
the pictures are there
na kunyako nsuo no
na be tuntuma ene ye de atum 2024 ni atum ene ko hoy sumansa ntrofo no monko opposite your friend is saying Flagstaff house no mo see afre ho no mo saying freedom dey se sento se bibisa nipa ma hu omo ho na ye Sami Jemfi efri sende no nsuo na ani ayekokọ no John Dramani Mahama say sa nsuo na ni a eyekọ na ese ya ekunye na yesi kontomre kura obekọ akoto no na ewuduro ewuom no because of Galamsey no John Mahama say yemfa ne saa efri se omunya sika e di frim
okana way
na press conference no antia na
we dey na ote
joy ma me tell nipa bisa no
question na nipa ni bisa last time meet you
nipa your friend is joy Kojo Youngson ebisa question president say am na mankrofo abuafo mu ko ayi was the last time I say president opa mo onye bi president say yensuo no ani ye fin ani ye fin na say yen ne nya mu mfaso de ase ne na ye
one can say
no can say me dem paraphrase o can say ka kire me
dey ameti na say the mampanyin kan na o say it's rather unfortunate
yes
say akwakoba ne say ofumu agudie no e wo se yetu no kwampa so but ebi mu na kwambo na ebi so a o metu a amaye nsuo no eni ayese na mpo no say etimi ayese a na ofumu agudie bi a yetu a gold board yetoma gold board for amaye nye sika
o kasa na ya yetenten ka de o kan ye na yenti
na nya no ara meke
na kan
na nya no ara meke
okay koso enti die Oh, Cosway. Also, we
can
Oh, eti Catholic Bishop Conference na ebe mo mo ka se oni ani yere nti wan te se wo se ensuo no essay na se yeye mom nya so mfaso de a wan te no the economic benefits no wan te mo hwehwe Kwadwo Jansen asem obi say question na mo
get me the voice and let me
anu na magana for buafu
you get me the voice
anu na magana for buafu because their friend the stability level no enne
akosoro
ekire say enne no ensuo na nia ye fin chan said the net 9 months back. That is the meaning.
And you know you better nya can say MPP ni NDC mu nyina mo ye kwan koro when it comes to the fight against Galamsey.
Ana me kire say
mu nyina mo ye kwan koro.
Ana me kire oh na obi dia ye fin chan obi dia say na ne NDC nya kwan koro. Because one say ko mo ba na mo timi stabilize no. Ana o dia ye mfa no say ye nyina ne anim say o mo ba ensem o mo kan de. Yensuo na ni bete kroje. Ye say wokɔ nwansam hɔ na wankotwa wayi a opieto ne de enka etimo de mo ba ye no de MPP jama ensuo ne fi no jama no wantimi anye bibia kra ma ne nka hɔ ba wo de no mfie na ensuo na be fi more amene plants ene etutututum yi enti say ibisa me say me ho te say na say Ghana fo dodo na esu etwa agyaadwo na yensuo wo hwɛ wayi ani a aye kɔwi na yese eno ne yepedia ene na etoje yenara yentimi mpene saa ema ne nyeyi etisa okokohwe answer president edema yenua Kwadwo Jansen wankasa no eno na ma me gina so ka say President Mahama me da me gidi say meeting the president ya de papa adame Bahama obisam say high point ni be the me catch say ya de papa na so answers no the man there is better for him not to meet the press than to meet the press and embarrass the whole nation like he did with some of the answers that he gave. And to mind the yatiase abampapa aba men ne yensuo ya shasia plants bear I think say 3 as a 4 there. Ghana water for say omutriti a emwa enti omatutu omumfidi a MPP woso na eteki omo 1 month a month bia na so omo hurum because na nsuo na efi no and omo say every day so omo e break no omo hurum fidi anim e kire say efi a na MPP ade 30 days 31 days aye no NDC ba yensuo na ni afin within 1 day ene yedi nya say afin no enti obi antimi medada yen say NDC ye adwuma pa bi as far as yensuo system concerned ohwe ekoko a omo ba ebo omo de be share ye no enti abochi anu mu ne atie yi so ombe china simpie so yayi for so omo koda ase finance minister ene omo so titimu ana mu de mu refi so omo so tim na omo so number bi enyom ne asiedu nketia na nam ye enti sa aseda bi wo mu di a so omo nyina so tisim na omo koko farms na omo ka kire kuafo ne say omo koko omo be omo 6,000 something so omo ba ban mu omo ba ye no ye say 128 Ghana cedis spe ena omo de kan omo nko na omo nka da omo nyina ase afen so no enwumanwumafo a ankra omo ye omo adwuma na omo use dollar na ban papa ba otimi move dollar na de call 10 ani ehwe mpo se nke betimi aduru 8 eninti omani mu aye de cedi no aye ho aye dendenden na chain dollar na ene adwadifo esre ninti na aban papa aba na ze cedi etimi duru 10 na unya bi nto take 8 years so say 8 months ade move aduru 10 na 1 week etimi sa pagya ni mu na wo ma omde dollar di edili ehunu de omunya na kire say oman no yesi aban papa aba na so no we de yenchia mu ye beba mu in details nti na meche tiefo nyina enkanka me yonko baako ye friend Gideon Kwasi Ano of North Legon Caucus maka say me do beko obedin so beko North Legon Caucus yes caucus no more yes a caucus be at North Legon we obed mranti NDC for na you see obed mehia no ha once pe dan we nya time ankasa ba manage say me ni hia ha nensem ba see nensem o can obey on facts enye dede keke enti caucus na eso ba
anti but
now so back caucus
na me dem say me say ne hwan me
there be enye partisanship enye bibia na mum emrante ne emaba wa ebi a ye ne politics ho ye hia ye didi ye ho nkomo it's not partisan now we say NDC for na ekwa na enti Gideon Kwasi Ano ba bia wo bia me man happy birthday
ene na order
say caucus veterans
caucus
That's why holiday.
That's why holiday. In fact, even some certain MPs are part of the caucus.
Whoa.
Yes. So it's something North Legon caucus. I build it very strong.
Ubenya just Tivo count. Because Tivo meaning the shoutage man. One of the banks is, I think he's the head of HR or one of the banks. Now he talks about that North Legon caucus, and one professor Owusu also talks about that caucus. And you know, we are sure say caucus.
Gradually, media uncrophone ni bi wo ho, producers ni bi wo ho no NDC4, PPP4, MPP4 na say have discussions na de keke fe keke na yetutu ye ho fo a na ye de ko. Enti once again mema menua Gideon Kwesiano I would pa kesiye pa. Na
my nase. Now Obed.
Prof.
Yeah, fresh boy in the yard, yo. NDC mu, yes, see there.
Aban papa.
Musi we aban papa so uti unia. Si Charlie enkoye you say see no so ahoden say no so and also agen therapy. That then now.
Prof.
Yeah.
And then Yamia say it's in Kwemuna and they for Fida. Yeshia. Na yebedin komo. Now I'm in fact akonye so ansa na mrefi. And I mini abako. In fact, he's one of my backbones. Council of States member for Western Region. Maxwell Abotchie, popularly known as Palasco, CEO for Wind Energy. And then Awuda. Ntime man Awuda pasronko. Na mi shira no na onto nunko.
SOMPA FM.
Oyo nipa bi a onsem nipam. Wa obeko no hobi ya no. Odo wasem tu nanim a so omwa obeboa. Oni mwa obeka che se na ekọ achire na waba.
Wana kana asami.
Maxwell Abotchie. His Excellency Maxwell Abotchie.
Oh, okay.
He's a Council of State member for Western Region on a rep.
Oh, rep.
Yes,
that's fine. That's
fine. Yes.
More can would ask them there, Mr. McKenby.
Yeah, one fantastic person. In fact, a very fantastic person. And get to know him, and you will never regret it.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes.
Then I will definitely have to get to know him. I'll definitely have to get to know him.
Yeah.
Now, and next year, me ankasa me offer see a birthday. Me offer see nimpompa. And ne a year na woda. Da Oko School, our Dominion Hills International School. Our techiman me offer see Mr. Opoku Echampong. Me baba no ena mi ankasa minia peace eso e baba no na uhwe eye screen no so sesi a nimfonyi na da ho no Nana Welma Nana Adwa Opoku Echampong
na be register
ene eye na woda kese happy edinibio Nana Welma Nana Adwa Opoku Echampong.
Beautiful.
Yes, so that's her name. And then a birthday. Happy birthday to you. Me offer say. Now you would do. Now me say me come graduation. Our Dominion Hills International School of Techiman. Now we can't anwin some. A crown of us always say no. I will tree any brofomono. Yes, we may feel we are for second. Nyame mano a year and quarantine. O mani nyini.
Yes.
No be opinion pa te se me abetiri on chen me cry na omon ho ban na on samma ne nyansa eni adwemu a emu do na onsua de na on be opinion pa. So once again, happy birthday to you. Me ankasa me wo fa se Nana Welma Nana Adwa Opoku Echampong Techiman. O Papa Mr. Champon, Ghana Commercial Bank and Peace on Sujuma of VRE, but they own a school, Dominion Hills International School. So once again, happy birthday to you. Nana Welma, Nana Adwa opoku a champon
yo
ebusha for
na me feel about us on what lawyer Keke said. Oh no, he made some introduction. He made me introduction.
Your introduction.
And now so now Dr. Isian, me nia or mining department or EPA and run any birthday. I mean Sharon no on to them. You know, what him say me half of Sufri Central Region. Swedru ni konyako de say I to say Carnation circle no. It say mechio mi feature wa konyako insuo say nye ne asemo prof won say insuo say ye de fie wotwe asay ade
won infie wotwe na say insuo no
infie wotwe na de asay insuo wo Ghana na Ghana first ye Galamsey ne ye
konyako de a wo okay
konyako de no me se konyako me fi swedro me ye fantini mapa me half
awala fantini
me ye fantini metuma me ye metuma kan fantini sia
amala me fi gwai
bro me swedro so me na me swedro ni konyako de I just say Carnation circle ni nsuo o ka se ye no miracle akogo gina ho se o ye dey say
some MPP communicators and now move around some Galamsey
almost some JV yeah me pacho lawyer
man kasa
o kasa no ma edi we lase almost some JV enko baby ya and me say me ko he comment section ho no ma ho me ti me stress am si ye enim go say be na boy akwakoji
miracle saboaje
enim go say be no o di 8 years one try until me bawo brem president krom brem first na wo assembly o yeka omo yeka say ajinkwana na onum bremu mekai
SOMPA
ene kokasa asem na ti ye be ka kire me ne man be referred Mr. Hollison ye ko airport na ye ya de nti na oni lady bi na e jan ni edidi nkomo lady ni so ye ofi like that area you know say hey achinkwana na onum brem o say is a brem ni dey enum biem o me say miami krom so amanda de so me papa krom bia ene fanoma nsu ana my favorite fish in this world go for we asay no poto
anti sesemu ye ne den.
Thank you very much. That is why His Excellency the President has brought responsible mining. So responsible mining, I make sure what they be.
Responsible mining. I want to so na you.
There be meba afeni ade ne ye roli. Nyanu ye kolanchi ye kra na de nsemi bai. What them trying to say? Ade ye be engage those who are doing the illegal mining. It is no nipa ni finkra ha disika bi komana. Oye adwuma ni bi dada. Into this kind of commander, on few illegal. Emma police for metano so. No, or yeah, responsible mining. And they are going to show them the proper way of mining. Proper way of mining. What I say? You see, we one thing the responsible mining is coming to do for us is that illegal mine you can say mining na because Galamsey na ye kano ebe ko form ba be ko form and nyame adom president ba yi on ma akonya bia say yenkotu gold bia wo forest mu yenkotu gold bia wo nsuo mu
see the forest see the yensuo ne hia yo
yes and nsuo no so no water body and na me ne ayifo bi di nkomo na Dr. Isen ne trans kakra on the bed ne one or two guys be di nkomo what as one guy back ka say na nkofo a blue water for you yakofo mu fi he omunim swimming no na am say ada you say hey kwan mu fa so chi guys be pa no na yo mu wanwa
and that still I issue
no prof
resetting member we over the weekend or
prof debut but the question is that 8 years I did 8 years I said to be 7 months I
River Pra
me about 8 years you bet to be the 7 months I year that's the question I'm asking you answer me what the 8 years I say I did not practicing paying for as regional chairman yeah, Professor Frimpong what the Ibe 2 abonte say insuoni say yo or say party here sika to allow them party here sika to allow them now they not say to this level now ya me adom look at if anything now on Joy me boss Samuel went there and he gave the analysis on insuono where it has got into Erastus Moamu near Erastus. Me da bia me ka se me meka o da me fa me boss nsem wo kan kran to nchen. Ni enfa Erastus dia no no. Yes, Erastus no ye the finance nsem training. Ono so he has been consistent from the one on started sa Galamsey fight you know. And then some more Kenya da bia me ko the page kokko he. Nsem o ye be o kan on Galamsey update on it. And only miracle koya na yi ba o say hey miracle ya na anu ya no di matem say me ye partisan can say Galamsey fight no and then won so akoko gina nsu say o ba be ye e be fight Galamsey ma me kan say me chiro prof
me too
and me carry on record say MPP they have no ye fan say out of can say maybe
let me help you let me help you with this. Just within the last 16 minutes, Erastus Asare Donko, I make some media post.
Yeah.
Let me officially welcome Dennis Miracle Abotchie to the Galamsey fight. Today, I watch him explain the need to fight Galamsey because babies are born deformed. Hey!
Thank you. Hey, the hair.
What's it?
Hair, the hair.
I'll take it for my means and come on with you. Erastus Asare Donko. So on an official page within the last 16 minutes. Post that one making.
I've just seen it.
Let me officially welcome Dennis Miracle Abotchie to the Galamsey fight. Today I watched him explain the need to fight Galamsey because babies are being born deformed. Hey!
Miracle ankasa no MPP for communicators hwehwe no omusika bia kodini ho nti omo hwehwe no lawyer kraka ho scar omo this lawyer first no me I can say it and I am saying it on me on my own me na for communicators I me omo ko nyina omo hwe musika sika ba omi ade man say on farmer communicators no from Mutiafo.
They don't have any base.
Me no mo ka tell me say me kra me ka bi mo no.
Omo besere o.
Now what ana says kanu na other transportation dey call every person or the gidi no. Yes connected for bu omo nye wa no mo koye ayo. Onko ye ni campaign you. Now wo be ka Galamsey asem. Now wo to me be na wo dey na wo ye fa Galamsey wo be ka Galamsey asem. Krom ha. You know the MPP for mo ka bi kra o. Momun Kabina Galamsey Assem there on records no President Mahama is fighting this Galamsey to the bottom no
and go see brebeng and I issue ni be kroje
obia nya abotre na yenhwe we are rolling out our policies and programs to fight it. Just watch us 8 months 7 months yindru baby 8 months 7 months are they 8 years if you watch you say and then ye bubu ni sisi excavator be jina ma ye nya kira me kra minimum excavator twi kra ye kira me say twi ha ye we si me de bubu ni sisi gram na be ka say mi si afi ona be hu say yes
Matthias here but me ka say Leicester Company Limited for so ya sene kese pa one of the Yas toothpaste Yas toothbrush abedwaman so ebusua say ukọ ayedwaman so na be hwehwe aposen a betimi ama osen na fita pa ama wompo no say uenum kankan a ebekọ a me ba so bomode na ko pe Yas toothpaste Yas toothbrush and then edwaman so say pa aye kama pa say go be bia eno na ebusua bia yuso Yas toothpaste no me ba cho ekum numkuro na emam wenum so da ho obi osoro anopa na ne num nyina kra appetite ke odbe didi kra no enhye dam fayi obi oso twetwe ne se na moja aba Yas toothpaste na be ka wasema ma ne toothbrush no so de moton ekọ wenum ba bia na essence mint e wo Yas toothpaste no monti no kwada no pe enti mpacho abusua mo nhya no so mo mpe bi man koda no Yards toothpaste ne Yards toothbrush na kai say won kran ha na pe bi etu aton a number obe fresi su nie 050 161 9588 so wo kumase a 050 13 90 338 na kai bi say Medima for Herbal Center. Dr. Time da so, Dr. Time da so. Hey, doctor, we yo bruta. We kick him. Me patrol, so why yare krankro. And now why yadi, now pebebi a obejo hun temwa. Dr. Time da so nebe bo. Medima for Herbal Center. Say ye stroke, say ye sisi yadie, say ye chese, sichire yadie ne how, uju wajin so yaw, moja broso, opa fe fro ne ma, ana any chronic disease, yeah, me patch up on my pana for when it's me dima for Herbal Center, Dr. Tanda so, obeka wasamaba, oba show yadie, obetene te, say ye malaria, say ye typhoid, me patch up Dr. Tanda so, obeka wasamama, bombarding na fresh 0244 774282, again 0500 727215. Kai, Dr. Time da so me pacho we number 1. O share one cry ha. Obahunu wo won pokwa semayira. Se wo kumase a ebuakwa agogo. Bia the government school di hwe no mo. Dr. Time da so the Lord is our ultimate healer. Na sakai bi say Electoral Ghana Limited, the home of quality electronics. Hona ko benya electronics papa. Yes, Jumedias right from day one. We've been with them. And I'm 1 year edija wo ho. E kire say one more electronics no. Ye papa. So ko tompo na chima to be ho a. Wo de ko ya na agene asesa ma. Warranty ni guarantee no. E je djuma bruta. Na more products bi e bi. Say Nasco, say your media, say Samsung, say TCL, TVs, different types, air condition, different types, washing machine, fridges, electronics, and one sort of Ebusia, Electoral Ghana Limited. Because all the discount more 15% in all the branches in Ghana. Na we are such a watch idea. I can't want ye. Me patcho so ultimate can never ya. Kai said, Techman, Uber more beer. Any Kumasi station they didn't share anymore. Backshot in Chenwa, a one or more. Kumasi or more Cassie Junction, Tech Junction and Crying, or more Dental Barrier, Danchuman Runabout, Industrial Area, Bianimal Complex they didn't share anymore. And also they have offices everywhere. Sunyani Mankesim, Cape Coast, Takradi, Tamale. From 0245 949495. 0245 949495. Now, my miss Ambra in studio now. You try and come so. Lawyer Sebe. Now, say Ken, my home story be a nam. Moses say no dear. Election election rigging then. Now MPP for now. Book up of library ship bridge now. And I'm we move.
Honorable Kennedy, I'm going back. Oh, yes, say me.
My main father been chere.
There be.
Honorable Kennedy, Japan one kind. Okay. And that's what Kasa UPSC.
Okay. No, yeah. I don't follow UPSC.
No, yeah. Na Mechiano Subebre.
I think it was on environment.
Environmental issues, yes.
Yeah, but it was a nice program.
Yeah, it was a marvelous work.
I followed it.
Why don't you 30 years?
Oh, really?
I'm telling you.
That's great.
Wow.
That's great. Before I come there, I will say, Obed, we're making 9 submissions. The examples, no, the Achinkwa or Numbrem, and Fatuhum. Now, wait, there were Daruma. Minimum sound will be say questions, and you need be questions. Nanso we die president be eba Ghana ha Emma Ofre Chebi headquarters of Galamsey me pacho president be yan Ofre Chebi say Chebi is the headquarters of Galamsey na President John Dramani Mahama the first time naturally say ebra na no ye
president they dan echi okra
exactly Kufuado de echi kromu to be ne me say president certain president be afraid Chebi as the headquarters for Galamsey na ehwan na teso President Mahama that be President Mahama afraid Chebi headquarters of Galamsey Emma Chebi for your home press conference they were not happy with the statement near because 2016 elections ni mu San of because na brim no asay. Oh,
I'll fact check it.
Fact check it. Na senga brim nen say ya enka emeye kiti ema enkodru point. I think the president even used a helicopter to kofa. And no man be can answer say the headquarters of Galamsey. It is obi be catch will say Galamsey I shall say 8 years ago. Now on kind of crencho. Even I'll go as far back as President Atamils Nyamin fan currency. Ono nedi can cry insurance assessor man or have all the cause to complain. Sabrina your man penny a vice president. So I'm talking about 16 years back. Na insuno mo say no. It is for anybody to give an indication say insuno ni shall say in fear watching no enya no kre. If he said there are ample evidences, say President Atamils pencil and ensure any shall say it must say in 8 years and your bar say about restore, but no cranny ye intimi restore ye jam said ye better na the mamu. And a momo diano west and no one some and ye can say.
Okay, so the search bachelor or you are sorry.
Kasa
me bacho.
Na dia search how ye so sorry no be sorry. Na me crank me sorry. Go asem ne no kre.
Okay, now there kasa oba.
Search is oba no aka.
Oba make search no once.
Enti I clear say when it comes to Galamsey dia, yen kan okre. A brave President Mahama be a vice president na Atamils teso no. E ho ne hu say China for aba krom ha afei yetimi fundu. What Galamsey in this proportion of President Kufuor Abenso. Ebiensi. But we have evidence of President Atamils, evidence of President John Mahama. And Kufuor Abenso so no wantimi anye den ento ase. So nobody should throw dust in our eyes and say MPP na be saying so na NDC na sampacho kwanyako asema me kan ye no. I wasn't referring to any press conference made by Miracles Abotchie because only a party ni it is oya na dia kra na wunyintum. Nemom I'm referring to Joy News and so a year omoko pick from the grounds. I'll get the video and send it to you. There is an old man bi ni fie e won suo ne ho Joy News and then di nkomo ana mo bisa old man na nkomodie mu ana mo bisa say ebre ban na ensuo no ani essay say no so ebe abusumi nsia mu ani.
Okay, so now Obed is here. Let me read the search.
Okay.
The Brim River pollution from Galamsey activities has been an ongoing issue for several decades. The government's fight back started over 3 decades ago in 1989 with Small-Scale Gold Mining Act, which aimed to legalize artisanal mining and prevent illegal mining activities, indicating illegal mining was already a problem in the 1980s. That's the search.
Now they are searching for. Now say the can say Chebi is the headquarters for Galamsey.
Okay, and it dates back until the Brim River Nankasankasano. The government response to the recent escalation. Okay, the government of Ghana responding to public outcry against the negative effects of Galamsey placed a ban on illegal small-scale mining activity 2017, showing that the Brim
Pacho Mame Mwao. My Joy Online, 27th March 2014. Chebi is the headquarters of Galamsey, President Mahama. Ghana Web, 18th June 2015.
If that is what you want,
yes,
then Media Foundation for West Africa.
They made a research on that.
They did a research on that, saying that the Brim River pollution from Galamsey activities has been an ongoing issue for several decades.
So in NPP,
the government's fight back started over 3 days ago.
3 decades,
3 decades ago, in 1989, with Small-Scale Gold Mining Act, which aimed to legalize artisanal mining and prevent illegal activities.
If what you are saying
for West Africa.
Thank you.
Is it the 8 in the 90s now I'm for science no
so no. So it means that time now we can say almost saying you no grant. No,
You can't say it's
no. Because media foundation for West Africa and come over sang
yes.
In the 90s no.
Oh say okasai mami na boa o be mu anu aboa. Mema Mount 27th March 2014. Joy News. Chebi is the headquarters of Galamsey. President Mahama. And then Mr. say, okay, said the President Man never spoke in a vacuum. Or brim no any the way na buy no ama adiana asay akodu na na raho.
Oh no na buy. What na two or no.
How come he became the headquarters? So for you to say it's 8 years now because of
NDC for crying. You don't have to be arguing over this. You people, all you have to do is to provide us with solutions.
We are providing it to.
And the way that we are providing it. It's worsening.
Listen to this. As recently as 2024, the Brim River, a critical water source, has suffered extensive pollution due to the illegal activities of miners. mynewsgh.com. That was in 2024.
Meba.
Momo pencil.
Mame.
So I'm saying that
you people, more MPP NDC.
So nobody
more pencil.
Prof.
I don't show the say.
Prof. Mame
one person is saying, and you have to anti any. I don't be saying more.
No. Meba. This is from Ghana Water.
Okay, Ghana Water.
Yes, thank you. Official data from the Ghana Water Commission on turbidity now or can the level of
the turbidity level. No?
Good. That also.
Yes.
River Bia. February 2025 turbidity no. Now 5,454.
Okay.
And about July 2025 about 372.
So to situate the conversation, we have your river sources, your rivers are affected by this galaxy.
Yes.
Baby, at the PDD, no,
I'm giving you 5 places. Wait. This is Western North.
So
this is Western North. Then Ademra River Offin.
Okay.
Now February 2025. Now 5,740. Is here about 2,205. Dabuase River Pra.
Okay.
Yeah, but rivers different.
February
2025 4,800. Sisi ati about 2,800.
Sebanchinya eja ne bechere obed
Akimoda
brofo na wo kai
Mebo Akimoda na de kana water for the better you
na why na no
Akimoda
okuta ne phone
River Brame na
can you forward that information to me?
Oh, of course.
Forward
of course.
So forward and
then Meba
you just forward it to him. You see, you say banchinya eja ene bechere Ghana Water asema mo ka che say omuto ensuo ebuomu by 280%. Ye bisa say adentom say ensuo na ni aseye to the extent say chemicals ni ade a omutimi ede hurum dane ani no ehwo aye den amomo plants ni bi ho no ma na nka omo wash mu every month. Now they wash plants no every day. Enti me say banchinya eja ne be say ebekere edinya na obekan brofo ache say the turbidity water no akofom ni ade
Meba Akimo me say if was Konyako one no Kasava na kokan no
say edin komo nti me ba me
me say oko hono no Kasava na kokan no Konyako no
me say Joy News omne akokra no se nchen akokra 6 months ago na say nsuo we no mo sa ede ye de omo ye bia enne ye hwa ba bia nsuo no akwakoduro
sa akokra no so ye nyina mpie.
Oh, yeah, you know, me say,
oh, yeah, you know,
me send video na ma.
Me say, akokra na wo kan asem kra. E bi kra bo kum kra no. Oh, amande oku.
Oh, daddy, Prof, this one we are talking about Obia. Ni fie ni sinsuo ni hu.
Me say
no conditional dem no conditional dem na nya me no mienu de bi oni fie no esi no
here on a more
me fa ni agro
we are not joking with it. That is why President Mahama with the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources and every stakeholder in this is making sure in this government to make sure this illegal mining will be reduced, especially in the water body.
But she has been stopped. She has been stopped. Presidency ordered.
Yes. Now IGP cry now. You say refer to journalists. Be your friend Erastus say, oh, who fight against Galamsey, oh, who group beer. Omoya so well at say IGP a team no because baby IGP team no ko fire bia na nsuo ni chance e mami mi wi amamo obisame eni a chance e baby IGP ni nipa ko fire me sure say bi na minu e ka ho asemi afa eni asatete no e na mo organizer e ko gina baby ka say hey President Mahama you omo nyina free ho omo ha ya dwene e Galamsey that be one can your friend Mo organizer, what's his name?
Yamin,
he's on record, please. No, he said they should call all those IGP
No. I know
the chairman of the party. Yeros ese nketia me wi amde na sembe to aso yi ono so ba mu abeka say ede on Galamsey mo kan sen mo say state of emergency no on foaso na enhu hia se be declare state of emergency hwa na president so
na wo kan sama lawyer sebe
yes
the Yamin Kai the national organizer of the ruling National Democratic Congress
I even have the video here
has called on President John Dramani Mahama to suspend all security operations aimed at fighting illegal mining, popularly known as Galamsey. Media Foundation for West Africa. This follows a recent confrontation in Bonteso, Ashanti region, where community members clashed with police, resulting in injuries and arrests.
Pacho. Into I say President Mahama and stop all what can be PROF
all security operations.
So does it include the IGP?
Because there was a reason.
So Mamemra, does it include the IGP tax force Nana?
Yes.
And I make point. That's the submission I'm making.
Yes.
So my submission
because
is that
there was a caveat after that.
Maybe No.
Sent to me by Honorable Joseph Yamin himself.
Maybe.
The video here.
Point. It confirms what I'm saying. Me say Erastus say, baby IGP Crawford in Mbia no more results papa ewo ho. Enti se BBS na se wo yi bia free mu a omo eye enioma bone no omo ne yi omo ne ejai omo ya de pass IGP.
Joseph Yamin, the national organizer of the ruling NDC, had accused the government's anti-illegal mining task force of extortion from Galamsey operators.
And it doesn't endure to their benefit or their advantage. That is in your Maboni or Moye. One would get Joseph Yaminika. Or say, a bina and crop for NDC in crop for Moyo Monko Galamsey no. Or Mokwa and your Maboni and Omokwa Eyo. Anti President and Chiomunina saying, including IGP Diana or Yej Mapapano. As my mekano. And that is what the search that you've provided is supporting. And I want to say, Babia. Nanka Jumapano, according to Erastus, no, or Chester baby Jumapano one IGP. Is the IGP task force near Jumapadia? A year day and your club bonini na papani na edifra.
Okay.
And you know, I think say in that sense, NDC is telling us they are not ready.
But I'm finding out from you. Say Akufo-Addo say we share a yamuna. I'm 35. Bacho. Say Akufo-Addo say ye man penye otisu ya na mamu no obu no ye man hye dan koyi we no ma NPP ahotoso ene arehemu say adomo a 2028 NPP ebe win the presidential elections. You believe in what Akufo-Addo is saying?
Absolutely. Why? Because and some I can hear number one. Adia ba akwa the MPP free abem Galamsey. Koko bisa freedom fighters no. You say baako etu free abrochire ba anu anko democracy hub ebe join yomo. He was very or no court no yes me refini din. I think he has a Vomawo. Oliver Bakavamo. Kotie sama ene oka. Kotie sama abrante ya okọ regional mko ye gidigidi kakra yi.
Your friend is
Ralph. Nyoma na yes demonstration. What are they saying today?
So today you see them that they are omo ye nkrophobia. Omo dream man who more HM party and some no.
To the extent say ogina mu de oka ne nra. Oka ne no. And that is what shows the credibility of a person.
So now you see them as being credible.
It's not that everybody I me see me who am so credible. Other than so say MPP abeso ntie betena ne enkase nsuo na say. Nsuo na say ntie nyina ye hu. Media me say ade biara ebe ma minus say no me nyina party di mu defend you. It is on your ha say me can be wa husband. Say as far as Galamsey eye concern no Akufo-Addo ontimi ntwene hu mfiri mu da open nneoma ye be bebo na chida bi e ka ho na mom so odi na mamuo no ba betoto NDC de koyi dia asesi e kura no 1 year ma ya apere ahya ase ya ye bo President John Mahama enase tuo ya ese du nkatia nko ate asim se okọ thank you to ya ni e da ba betena ha obo keka ne nsem a ubisa na nsem ontimi enyi anu dia na chese ayede enya ono nko se Julius Debra so keep fit all ye the chrome ha no
on the skin sin keep fit no
se ni enim ba na de ye hu meboa Kane no na oya onfa ma mekire so ye keep fit but na I said get na nkwa na okoda ase
all right me
but na dia na cameras dia kire na seda okwa akoda no o kire obi asem na ma ba me ba beda ase ya say ubu ba yes yetebe dia dia ekoso na ye
mama go obed my intio
just say well I mean for David I think I forwarded something to you too. It has to do with Isuno River is it pra? Is it pra? And I said good. Pro say one of the
boy River Priding. Nah, but my mistake.
What's my mistake? No, is he?
River Pra.
Oh, there be. Asuma me bekano. There be. 2016.
SOMPA FM.
February. Yes, yes, June there. 2016. Now you see any year Jane. February, June in 2017. Now want to me mutigum. No, I'm saying 8 good years. Minia, only baby more 2 debts and echo. Oh no, you see, and you ask yourself, say. Are they heading feel what you are saying? No,
and you feel what you say, President. 30 years back.
No, don't say. So do you want to tell me, say, in Suam Bubu Dimbia, Fanoma,
Nina say,
oh, what are you talking about?
I've asked you a question. What
are you talking about?
They sent to 2020 to Belusu.
Oh, Radin Yakupon. Assemble krani assemble krade mi mpa nka man resist that topic mi hu say ka topic nka mama na we ya kana asem
na nka amamu no koyi
papa we ya kana asem
debi amamu no koyi na nka ne amam for them
papa we ya kana
amamu no koyi
me bawo
na nka amam for them
me bawo in the history of Ghana one will say me ba wo de wo nyame adom eja bright card wo nyini sin ye wo ha nyina. In the history of Ghana, one will say, Abafu Fraba, Emma, dollar so, Atida. Maybe, sir, oh, there's only 50 pesos in Po, 10 pesos, one will be there. Emma, and Emma, your tone will be an your tone, maybe 10 cities, Meswata about 9 cities, 50 pesos there. Then be a no shim. Any change of government, both NDC and PP. But in the history of Ghana, President John Dramani Mahama Abrisui, and one first just 20 December yao. Last year December 2024, me turn 780 Ghana, and then me turn 480 Ghana. 480 Ghana. And one now me turn 1,000 something, no. And as I want to see, I'm turn 400 and something, 600 cities. Minya, now I'm paying up a day. Me baby, I'm say. Me fat taxi, now me coffee. First time me 60 to 50%, then me 5 to 50%. Paying up a day. Paying up a day.
Yeah, no bonus, no.
Then I'm a bonus. I better never be one because I said, baby, to Momotiso. Only, I want it.
I'm not free, no, to go do him.
Oh, I want it. Oh, okay. Lawyer Uncle Ghana. Lawyer Nigana, food dropper. Second, no, which is 6 cities, then. Lawyer Nigana.
Provide the dates. When was that?
Lawyer no Ghana. Call Erastus crowd page on this thing and I make one some children. I'm coming the bachelor. This is it. I had it. Okay, this is River and Cobra.
Show me name say.
Okay, this is River and Cobra. This is 20 what? 20 what? I just want you to say it. I mean, person me mechanic say politicians no.
But factory. Okay, River and Cobra. That's about date war.
Yes.
Date man.
February 20th February 2016.
Okay.
And a certain time by share. Tina or home a certain time by 20th June 2017.
And I say,
the status say.
And Tom no say no.
Minia. This is a rush to so nyame ko fi o meti ayo. Nyame obedo pinta no. And I make Erastus. And there are a lot of instances. Me say me come chrome that there so am that there so. And my be na me we. My be na ebi nim.
And my be na den.
Nambi desin na me fish bi o we ase. Ye chine de bon kwan ma wa.
Sa
o kona ko pia ba ya bi fi no de boss an kwan ma hia on ko fie.
Obowa. Me be sa ni man dey encheme.
Ayo.
Ade achimi ye attitude.
Mo.
Anya wa ho feel.
Attitude.
But the inner beauty.
What we are talking about, President Akufo-Addo, now former President Ebeken. You in your history as 8 years, you have become the worst performing president in the history of Ghana.
SOMPA FM.
Papa Ben, who the $98 million on your city so? Ede kotu amna. $98 million. Ede kotu amna.
Me wa try to for a moment we are on Facebook was here 20th February 2016 River and Cobra pictures produced works done by Edem Stream. Yeah, the number down.
Na me ka so say Erastus.
One picking free.
Edem Stream
Erastus page.
Erastus we have na
20th February 2016, 20th June 2017.
Me say one picking free Erastus page. Bisa producer.
Well, you shall for
a visit to Konyako River. 2024. Sha any. Konyako nie. That is the argument I was making. Oh, Konyako dam no. And never go koshe. What's it way? 2024. So what I'm saying.
Me pacho me imu nyina free mo. Multiple quest. Me pacho person your window installation, aluminium, metal and glass fabrication. Modern na for when you multiple quest. Your door installation so if you know na person sipono na aluminium bi, na glass dey bi, na hihema na kama dia. A multiple quest. Your glassing solutions, say frameless doors, glass, your curtain wall installations, multiple quest. Anything about glass fabrication, anything about metal works, me pacho, say for window, say for doors, say for gates, main gates, me pacho, a multiple quest. Gates in the bio, what could do fia, why remote. Na ebie uremwa umia remote na burglar proof papa bi gate automation na maka ho asem electric fencing, garage doors, security doors me pacho multiple quest and maka wasem amao bombarding na from 0243 178 910 again 05440 6666 6 multiple quest designs me patro omo ye du twem ankasa na saka say Bell Beverages Ghana womo no maba modern de Belakwa mineral water e de abadwamanto nsu a de do nsu a no ma the purity level no e wo soro na womo de Bell malt so abadwamanto Bell cola me patro na kai say omo orange juice bi omo pineapple flavor juice bi ni nyina no e Bell for enom de abadwamanto come up Food and Drugs Authority for Ajatum Kodane pair. Now Bell cans are also available. The packaged well for you. Now almost Bell malt no and the ginger ale ne dear has almost soda no bitter lemon. Yeah, bitter lemon on me pepper na nyabi. And the Chapman me patcho Bell Beverages and Belakwa. Hey, Bejuma, very refreshing to all Ghanaians. But also say, obadum anum dia ya doko dia pe eye Bell for dia. I don't ever kawa sama. Nasaka you say Tontina 74 T74 eye dudro ankasa dudro mu dudro. And no na wono mu atu ya dia say. Me patcho Tontina 74 eye kama pa ya dia bia. Say bad breath. Simple wo na uti baby na we oba wo bunsa na obia che ehu asa obukwa adwumam kura na ye wo ye no fo ubawa che se wakoma na ye wo ya utra ke mu cha na wo nanse aso me wa so Tontina 74 T74 ebeka wasam e de ama wo de wani kire drugstore pharmacy shop bia ya nsa ade a wo nsa beka bi duduo mu no se wo nkran ha drug lane o kan si ho ade a wo nsa beka kumase o Ashton Colinac Herbala owenye bi etu aton bomodina for 024 6073 498 again call them on 050 162 8931 me ba to say obetimi afre 0260 196064 0260 196065 and be a part of the show. Where the numbers are.
Me for Prof.
And Pacho, you be man kwan ma one end. Me Pacho, we do. Ba ko show luma na background. I'm fa be course. I'm fa course ni wi a. You can WhatsApp. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, me Pacho one minute ka say.
What is the concern? Akafia phobia because
SOMPA FM. Oh, akaphobia the first day. Katamanto to say.
Yeah, me out of the Mumbai, but the Mumaka Baba with the Anka. And Yen Agrada Memono, Troka, the Corison if ye.
Ah, but also a mum wait to say.
They say I have Troka, the Corison if ye, Corison Yawafi.
Akaphobia budget with you.
Yo, Lady Kai, my memoir about so. Now, if I could get income fiber MPP. Dr. Brane Champon. Now, incoming national chairman, Honorable Bache Jacob. Just because you have a point, and Safia Muhammad, my organizer. Block. The design and this in Kabi say, Central Region, down there on Guanyapo Dam, another one. Block. I will say, yeah, what is that Guanyapo Dam? Is there Adani a tea pampa? Oti.
Beba choka wasam ni enko.
Dabi no power ya.
Yo, una wuka wasam. E tiefo etie. Enti kan enko.
Ya tell say. Aba money ne ba ye no. Omo didi su no mo mama. An kobra no mo ne bre mu no aye se empampa. The thing mo di obania ajre e ka se kwanya ko dam. E no so aye se milu. That when you are more say, I am Koye, Namusaria, and you have $10 so, and you say, and then because I oh, got a Giania, and another time near Toro, near Toro. And the mom can say, oh, money Koye, when a Koye Mamma, come up for if you are saying for 2028, and this young baby, and got your mama so on baby, or Baba say, or man for 2020, you bet to the Samansi. What do you mean?
All right, me that say pass out by drama oba edwedi no so. Be pa cho so beti na frɛ na o de wa drink kire abeboa 02 60196064 0260196065. Now o de wa drink kire abeboa edwedi no. Pa cho bre mami nko na Na okay bibi until say callers na beba.
Yes, me say. Na okay say President Akufo-Addo say the on my night day. I mean what if for 98 million I could 2 rent say.
SOMPA FM.
Na bepi menne. Yehu be eskanafa. Bepi menne yehu be eskanafa. Oh, we will deal with them. Trust me. And those who are doing backdoor. Me I just say my names me body. I just say my names me body. I'm on my backdoor, no more settlements me body. What say on mine to this level? Oba be jan. E president who for the kwade just on my camera crab beton so be mo Ghana ha. Oh. Your election. Me say your election. He is the president. He is the president that they say the president we never had. Hey, because as I know out here say the president we never had. Sa papa we. Anka we in 2016 when we need election. Come because na papa we anko baya anko be say. But on mine all the 8 good years. I be sell money the year ko. Ne papa time no mine say no. Sa no the year ko ye. Na nyame adom. President Mahama is putting the country on track because obaye nema okeka yi na district ben na factory. District ben and obetumi aka say factory wo. The whole Western North, maybe if you Western North region, factory ben e wo hono. Rev ayi what the Baumia, what you Baumia the $11 million. E could see Walugu Dam. Mo say that is the monumentum project you've done. Afie kwa hwa den kwa yi hu.
Enti ne to abeti Baumia no. Si man fa Akufo-Addo
Baumia no na neighbor baby.
One the neighbor.
Aha, okay.
You see, what you say?
The okay, the MPP there. Akufo-Addo, muni obi a won neighbor bi o.
One of them about one Ufra Market, Famum Fanchemi. Prof 0260196064. Prof 0260196065.
Prof, one of them never be.
Mammy,
yeah, he said I asked about
Akufo-Addo. About 20.
We have the men on money.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, I'm Pastor. One of them can say.
Come Cantamanto market.
Yeah, that's it. And that's it. I forfeit the mood in the power.
Papa, any holidays out. Every day. Everything about the power company about one organizer. You mean honorable was said that the ministry of paper about you are you organizer. National chairman with the national chairman. Papa and a brother temple on not an MPP for you. I'm never the MPP chairman. The ministry of paying and put to 4 years for a moment. But goodness, but market. Offering what I think about good hour to the order. One MPP dinner. Yeah, you only go to Brother Mama, who's what? The baby I can't get by a phone king. One bar, a phone king. What do you say? Galamsey, farm of the new Mama. Want to be to us, yes. There's no one so more care. But you're only for Kuba, but Galamsey said, I could put the job with them. And we are going to a young woman of Kua, I grew up in the most young woman of Kua. I grew up on one also who drink to us yet.
Mirase. Let's leave my sometimes so we're interested. 0260-196064 0260-1960-19606. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Fine.
Me pacho udini baby a u ka se free.
E pacho be ka free ai ta mi e fam Joseph Alale.
Yo, me pacho iti you.
O ba bo se man na o ti wono se o ka se insu ani atia no obo pa kwa ye wono Galamsey no mo ye no ho pa. Insu ani ti insu ani se ye no. Na ye 1980.
You look at it, Vancouver, and you have to know or that down. It should be any Western region. And you have to, they were for the what you call a foot now. Now, the money on the
Me ba cho eti why?
Eti so ka ba cho eti o. Organ ha ke nya no kre. Nsuo ni nyina kai wo mutan no pokura de ye wet.
Na me ba cho wo ehe na wo sisi a.
Me watakwa.
Wo takwa ehe nsuo ben na da ho a asai.
Nsuo bon ta asai. Ankobra ya wo kai. Asai, ofia asai. River Bia asai, River Tano asai.
Yo, mirase, pass over here. I be about 0260 1960 0260 1960 and then end the chair and then holiday. Me who say nipa no do na edi one holidays, but I don't know. Lines ni bi o ha ba na article. Me about your baby to me afraid 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65. Very soon we'll be ending the conversation over here. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Me ba ta wana mene ne ka sei. Kaswa boko de.
Oh, nyanko pona do. Aha boko.
Da se me pa cha wada ma eti o.
Papa no ma juma pa mo bo. Awo sompa. Ye kiro pa. Opani me pa cha me che me ko ni no ma ko mani. Pa problem senko. Nsusu sɛ MPP koko yi na ɔbɛboa paa mpo nyawa yɛ kɔma mu nti ne yɛka no yo ɔpani yɛnnua no wɔ MPP fo no te si deɛ ɔwɔ sɛ ɛsu ani ake bɔɔkyɛ mɛkyɛ no me sɛ ne kɔne ne bɔ nyinaa yɛmfa rupre yɛbɛtua no me sɛ yɛnkɔnkɔwɛ fɛs no fɛs no yɛ milo akɔkɔ de fɛs no yɛ milo ɛnɛ mahama fɛs ɛkyɔkɔ milo Chokomilo. Yeah, the car, and so you do what? Upon the message, I will go. Upon him, and you know that.
But that was the first, Mom. Akufo-Addo pension and so any other.
The guy Chokomilo. You do what I'm not going to do. I know what. I want it. And so was any afternoon. No one you do what? Missing so out and you have to Chokomilo. The car will not need it. You want to come on nowhere. I want to be able to. Talk, I'm going to gather. I have to go to the second and so I know Ghana for trouble. The two people. I want to move in you. Let's take a emergency because our young man in already buying a year. Take a emergency. There's a number there. I could walk on some of that. And then I talk about power. I think it's too kind. I'll take a emergency. I don't even know. I could share some trouble for the eternal.
Yenesi forma mi obi jina line echi. Me das pass by. Mami emfa call away. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Me ba cho teme kan. Good evening.
Good evening.
Ajo dini baby akasa free.
Ajo free me come kasa free is fine community.
That's it you.
Abochi we dey na sembia na
ye tie SOMPA.
Galamsey ye tuna sereni abantano. O sebe domana dia woten kan. Ona o ti isu mu a sebe yes o bo isu no ban. O try say your mama fin cry on for positive for na mo o be bo isu mu ban. At the same time they dey no ba. Wo mo na be di kan chi wo be ko bro chi akota na ho ya di wo. Na wa gen wo de ho. Because I can't calculate the back to see the win. O fre be di ready so ana.
All right, I mean now say me about 0260-1960-64 0260-1960-65. Let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
So one a minute can say. Me about your Oteminkan.
Oteminkan.
Me to Kakasa.
Open Mamin Tiamo, Namin Tiama Farm Farm, or any kind of food, and they Afro feeder. I pay the day, Musam now, Mogakani. Now, okay, and this meaning some walker.
SOMPA FM.
America, Ghana, and MZ, they are 2 very young over. In the name said, you cost your men winning. So, back here, 2016. Emma, I can say, Oman Penny Mahama. Let me catch Nana Akufa to say, a Nicro Muti Bini Galamsey headquarters. Na one of the Obama Galamsey Funina, Ayajmana, Oman Penny, what is the planning crew? What is the Emma was smart and professor Omonko Galamsey site, and only Wiki MPP or Abaya Tuno. The whole idea to Galamsey PR. Oh, that Adiana Omanpeni Mahama, and on a cross to your neck, and the one who are Baby Diana who ate Remano. And to the other say that you perceive to Sanya Manasia, Omanpeni Mahama, Malaponting, and the Bagan of Punya, and you're not doing any presidency at Tosana or Kakata and Wayaboni. And to one me and Pakoya, you need to get to Galamsey. Now, but radio, now the class and Papa Second upon your water, who drug at the Insania or a event, the Riban Cobra, man or Casariana or some bosom. Because one can't play. One was already just 4 years over and this department in the Bunti. And why Anana? No one can be said people in the power in the Beba. Emsa Agro and America Samson will Ghana.
Yo, Mammy, now I say so by Jumedia, so Yamin Cosware, and Shroud. The patch also bet me a friend, Edward Drinkere, Abeboa, 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Ofra, Ebema, Wine, Ama, Waka, Sabada, and the chair. Yaba, sorry, free Jumedia, no so, but let's talk to this caller. Let's see. Hello. Good evening. Nampacho apom to say. Yo. Nampacho udini baby okase free.
But you have comfort here because I feel water region. Who?
Comfort water region who?
Dying.
Nampacho na utie yen ewe he.
Me tie mo ala so ha ewo.
Okay, that's just a multi TV.
Me person
what?
Lawyer.
Oh, okay. Me patrol it you.
Last year, River Pass over near a new I blow look at the NDC for no market you and at NDC for time in Suna say, oh, whoa. So she should any last year. This year, says Muka on SES for your phone so. And so they need come with the extra pay you. River Pass. Yes, I can let you say you laugh. That's the thing. Last year. No more than NDC for tenants and I say, oh, won't cut a year. Say, Grandma, by 9 months, 9 months, 9 years, so 9 months. That's a share to the new mayor course. And your mayor course, or the 8 years, or the 10 years now. Ya bro, ya bro. Omunda is asabota. Akoshine ye.
Meda say so bad you ready so. I wish I first let me pick up this call and then see if it's going to be our last caller for the day. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Pacho, why am I in the cafe? Yo, me pacho it you.
Yo, Kwani, young boy, strong of my near Jumapa. We program a fantastic part and the Debbie a Richie. And then the Thursday.
Good day, Thursday. Oh,
I boss.
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
The Pacho, Albano, Kazako, and Organa now or Mary. Then you are calling about, I'll call on Ghana, I will be a person. President Mama and Bama and Yamai. Both for the price to go for the president, both for the because I do to be a. What dear? By the way, I tell again, what about the government? You make a obi odi Ghana ha biara and then the school the baba ko and then project no be school I go for the town in two ways my baba ya come every day it's an 200 the top who name your country baba say Ghana school and para go school o ko pa ya se kwa baba say no come baba ko bi na school there ya kanu ya boa na ya mpa baba ti enzuani kana su nyina baye ko ti prekom to set maka obi obeka ko bo bia no nso nya go obi e usu nya go no on ka se gana nsu ani ate aya because obeka nya obi ti be penti down ya na obi ti be penti down
yeah, what can be a year? Hey, what can be a year? Ebusafo yabekoso na ya catch na yeneti for say Sompa Obi Bass no e basso live Friday ye the programs ni nyina epie Domi Market mumbo njeso na mumbe hia yen from anopa to enwume krenkren Sompa yabecha de mapi Sompa for yabecha de mapi Friday abe yabecha de mapi anti baby awo biara kai say ye Obi Bass no ye beba say o abonten na o pese wo sujumadi no o be sponsor akwenya e wo ho say wo so be ka ho na o ye part of the sponsorship of our programs but ye be koso ada woni a edikan aso ya sene a dwumadi nyame adoba edafia da eba wa kwen mu kai say a time herbal mixture ya toothbrush ni ya toothpaste Bell Beverages 21st Clinic multiple Christ ya better must say but for reservations and inquiries on this particular program call 0547548 Sompa Obi Bass abaya Fanta what is soswa brutal oh say Obi say insoni be adane from Milo to Choco Milo. Paper to last a minute.
Yeah, we that's be na Marco last topic ni so na summarize na maka say. Yes, a minute, just a minute. Akufo-Addo oko 2016 elections o wini na memo no eye papenti osako 2020 Ghana for esa to aba e de man no 2024 ye lose na Akufo-Addo ni ti na ballot so yewura miami adwuma bebre de man no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na Ghana for say yempe no nti eto abetia no etimesere MPP delegates nyina sa abeya yekoto yi nea efomfo ehwehwe ne honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan monto abanema no no medi yanim no no na 2028 obeji tumi am
me that same obed yako
prof near edru ne say Ghana near nyame adom na yepe ene yensaka John Dramani Mahama obuni mai na me adoma yenya awreshemu wonimu say nanu ya say kra no we had this opportunity say you launch the 10 billion big push infrastructure I say obi enya abotre because akwan nema bibiri beto apete wo Ghana hanama some inconveniences beba it's your man. It's a reset that we are on, and we are going to make sure the country is on a good track. 8 years I said no they are call Akufo-Addo papa time no. Yeah, no.
Mamina say Ebusafo ya de adwuma de nsi ya frame Kobla Abochi aka Prof on behalf of the production team led by Brighton Tree, Patrick and again Jeremiah and my good brother Sarfo Kantanka. We want to say a big thank you. Yes, sorry, sweet. Nah, yeah.